So, states the respondents are accordingly directed to issue a fresh NIT for settlement of the fishery within a period of 3 weeks from the date of receipt of this order. The even if Rule 8B was to be applied, then also the district commissioner had no competence to issue any order extending the period of fishery on a daily basis in favor of Natun SS in terms of the Rule 8B. Accordingly, the order of the district commissioner dated so and so is set aside. The state respondent shall ensure that no settlement of the fishery shall be made with any person or group on a daily basis or otherwise, except through a tender process.
Highly obliged, sir. Highly obliged.
Obliged.
May I please, your lordship? And I'm praying for listing of two connected matters on Thursday next, my lord, that is 28th, my lord. These are two connected matters and covered matters.
My lord, I requested for listing for today, my lord, is regarding grant of IMFL license, my lord. My technical bid was rejected on 13/3, my lord. Only two bidders, my lord, for today, my lord.
Will you try?
My lord, kindly.
Okay.
My lord,
Lordship, I am appearing for the repetition, Lordship. I am for listing of this matter, Lordship, within this week, Lordship.
New matter.
No, not new matter, Lordship.
Right.
I am suffering because if it is not decided, Lordship, then in the meantime, Lordship, my property, if it is not registered, I am going to be declared as NPS, Lordship. NPA. Your Lordship has already heard the issue notice on this.
This Thursday.
Lordship of that.
May please, your lordship. I am praying for listing of this matter for withdrawal, lordship, in the next fight. Obliged.
May I question? I'd like to mention this matter for listing, my lord. Tomorrow or day after.
What is the matter?
Matter, my lord, the notice is already issued, my lord. But the matter is not, my lord.
Regarding what?
Regarding, my lord, the establishment of an Anganwadi center.
Anganwadi Center?
Yes.
No, Anganwadi Center is not before this court.
Obliged.
May 3.
my pleasure, lord. Lord, I beg to mention one withdrawal, my lord.
Okay.
May I please, your lordship? Lordship, I beg to mention item number 31 of the daily list.
Yes.
Lordship, 3 weeks time may be granted, lordship, for filing affidavit in reply, lordship. The affidavit is ready, but the party is from Siliguri could not come to sign the affidavit, your lordship. So 3 weeks time may be granted.
Mr. Counsel, 3 chances have been given to you already.
Lordship, this may be treated as the last chance, lordship.
You are appearing for?
Petitioner,
What is your name?
A. Ahmed.
Mr. A. Ahmed, learned counsel for the petitioner, has paid for time to file affidavit in reply. It is noticed that 3 chances for filing affidavit in reply has already been given. Last chance is given to the petitioner to file affidavit in reply.
After vacation, lordship.
No further adjournment shall be given. List the matter. Give.
After vacation, lordship.
And you don't list the matter after vacation. That's all.
After vacation.
Yes.
If you please.
Your lordship, I beg to mention one lead petition for listing, your lordship. Regarding operation of ferry service, your lordship, the term is
Huh?
going to, regarding the operation of ferry service of the petitioner, your lordship, and the term is.
Ferry service.
Yes, your lordship.
So term is going to end.
Yes, your lordship, by the 31st March, your lordship.
So
So, your lordship, otherwise,
nothing survives now.
lordship.
And, it's a tender matter.
yes, your
When is it going to be listed?
lordship,
It's a new matter or an old matter?
old matter, your lordship, pending matter, your lordship.
No hurry. Okay, 27.
27th, your lordship is
Now also it's too late.
22nd, your lordship.
What is today? Okay.
Highly obliged.
We are contemplating to move before the arbitrator.
Okay,
So
very
we
good.
want to withdraw this.
Mr.
Bishop.
B. Sharma, learned counsel. Your name is not
Yes, name
Mr. B. Sharma.
Yeah.
Learned counsel for the petitioner, please that he may be allowed to withdraw the writ petition as the petitioner uh, is desirous of moving the arbitrator.
Yes.
Is desirous of invoking the arbitration clause. Prayer of Mr. B. Sharma is allowed. Writ petition dismissed as withdrawn.
May I please, Your Lordship? WBC 693123. Lordship would like to withdraw the petition because some new cause of action has arisen.
Okay, Mr.
BD Kapati.
B.D. Kakoti, learned counsel for the petitioner, please that he may be allowed to withdraw the writ petition. Miss
Lordship,
Department, D. Bora.
D. Bora appears for the Health Department.
Lordship, there is a humble prayer. The liberty may be given to file afresh.
Acha, with liberty, huh? Pays for withdrawal of the writ petition with liberty to file afresh. Okay. Then Miss D.P. Bora, D. Bora, why are you writing again? Heard, Miss B. Okay, appears. Then you say prayer, the petition's counsel is allowed, writ petition dismissed as withdrawn with liberty of paper.
Lordship 56 same matter.
Okay, fine, both, all.
All right.
Five, six, six.
4, 5, 6, 8.
When I read Lotus asking
Huh?
for records, mother. Record was supplied to me on Saturday, but without the note sheet, mother. I have returned it, mother. But you'll fix it next Friday, mother. Incomplete record has come. Let it notice the issue, my lord. Ultimately, the lordship has to decide this matter.
Correct.
Notice the issue in this case and.
Heard, Mr. D. Das, learned senior counsel for the petitioner.
My lord, let the fix on record place, my lord, can if necessary notice my issue.
Why?
Otherwise, other matter will be like.
He's delaying the matter twice. This is the third time.
Your lordship,
I-
whenever- your lordship
Let
decide.
the process correct, sir.
Let
No.
it be on
I
22nd.
think, heard, if you notice, returnable in here for the private respondent. Good enough, so we'll issue notice.
Lordship fix it on 22nd.
We'll issue notice anyway.
Uh.
Issue notice, returnable in a week. Mr. S. Bora appears for the BTC. While Mr. J. Ahmed appears for point number 10. Musa. Though the BTC had been given directions to produce the records on the last 3 dates, the same has not been done till date. Accordingly, list this matter on 27.
22nd, 22, 22.
No, it's interim order to continue till the next day. You all are not in a hurry. I'm not going to bother reading your file every time. The fourth time it's come.
Same.
Item 8 same. Who is appearing for 10? J. Ahmed.
I'm deeply.
Acha, don't say 27, make it 28. 28.
Now, the Public Works Department was supposed to produce that agreement, madam.
Item?
Well, whether there is any arbitration clause or not.
Where is it?
It is there.
But not the existence of an arbitration clause is not always fatal, my lord. There are judgments of the Honorable Apex Court, right from Dantia construction until that UP case where in 2021 also Supreme Court had said, my lord, it's not a bar. Anyway, my lord, having regard to the nature of the controversy, because all that we are asking for is an expert view, whether the, my lord, the estimate which they have prepared what the bill of quantity, whether it is commensurate. That is our basic case. So I appreciate, my lord, it may be slightly technical for this honorable court to embark upon such an exercise. But my only submission is, my lord, we'll approach the arbitral tribunal, we'll immediately approach. Only thing is, my lord, there is an interim order that they will not engage the bank guarantee until arbitrator considers my interim period that, my lord, order may continue. Only that much.
That part, my lord, if the liquidation is not maintainable, in that
No,
case, my lord,
it's not
that's
there.
protection, my lord. Otherwise, my lord, they can always, my lord, pray for such, my lord.
No, that's why I'm saying Lordship will give a time frame. Within 1 month, the arbitrator will decide. For a period of 1 month only.
That is a.
My lord, that will balance the equities, my lord. Everything need not be opposed, my lord. End of the day, the justice must prevail. Everything need not be opposed, my lord. Only one period of 1 month, my lord, will approach immediately.
But what is the law on this bank guarantees? Can
No,
we
no.
really stay? Should it be
No,
given?
no, my lord, law on the bank guarantees, whatever it is, since your lordship is relegating me to the arbitration.
Because of your contract agreement.
Therefore, in terms of the agreement, therefore, my lordship has protected me till today.
Hmm.
So for another period of 1 month only. My lord, these are all relief in equity.
What is your problem
My
here?
lord, my case is, initially I was given a contract for construction of a boys hostel of 2 floors.
2 floors.
Yes, 2 floors, my lord. Now the bill of quantity was such that it was not possible. Then, my lord, considering my claim, they themselves reduced the building from 2 floor to 1 floor. Earlier it was G+2, now it is G+1. Even then we find, my lord, there are a lot of discrepancies are there. In fact, my lord, if we are to undertake 10 items of work, we are supposed to lose 1.17 crore. My lord, that view is not mine, that's the view of an expert. So therefore, we pray, let the estimate be referred to the Assam Engineering College or IIT Guwahati, then they will give an opinion whether the estimate prepared by them and bill of quantities prepared by them is in accordance with the technical norms. That is our only case. And my lord, there was delay of more than, my lord, almost 2 years in giving and handing over the site. The drawings were belatedly given. My lord, I am a businessman, I am a contractor. I don't want to end up doing litigations, my lord. I also want to complete the work and get away with the bills. But what do I do in certain situations when I can't even proceed? Because drawing, kindly see, my lord, in this case, the work order, initial work order is dated, my lord, 12/6/20, and the revised work order is dated 7/2/23. Can your lordship imagine? Initial work order is of 2020, that is June 12/6/20 at page number 21. And the revised work order is at, my lord, page 33, 7/2/23. So that means you have regularized me up to 7/2/23. So from there, I have got 18 months period to complete the work. So it's not one-way traffic, my lord. There are aspects which needs to be gone into. Anyway, since the matter is highly technical, I am agreeing to go to the arbitrator, my lord. There I am not raising any objection. And kindly see the attitude, my lord. I have been awarded a contract. I was not even given a copy of the agreement.
Correct.
But
Yes.
only thing, my lord, is only point is, my lord, maintainability. Now, since they are, my lord, acceding to the, my lord, very raised by his honorable court, whether they would like to go for arbitration as per the, my lord, tender clause. Since they are agreeing, without making any observation on the merit of the case, my lord, only at that point, lordship will consider it.
No, I am not asking honorable
All
court
these
to make
matters-
any
No,
opinion
I am
on
going to, no, I am going to send it to arbitration anyway,
Yes.
the arbitration clause anyway, because it is there.
Yes.
Arbitration clause is there. And this issue of estimate and all.
That part may not be-
No, but that is not calling upon.
I know.
That I'm not even
Because
asking
Have a
for.
bearing in the arbitration case.
No, but that I'm
No,
not saying.
because while passing the order, I have to give some reason. No?
Their submission, my lord, not.
That's
Yes,
submission,
yes.
that's submission. No? Heard Mr. K. Chaudhary, learned senior counsel for the petitioner, assisted by Mr.
AK Sharma.
K. Sharma, who submits that the termination of the petitioner's contract by the impugned order dated 22/02/2024 issued by the mission director, NHM, SM, should be set aside. The petitioner's case in brief is that the petitioner was given a work order to construct a girls' hostel for Defu Medical College on 12/6/2020. The building was to consist of 2 floors. Full stop. However, as the bill of quantities and the estimate,
Mala G+2, not 2.
G+2. Full stop. However, as the bill of quantities and the estimate prepared by the respondent authorities did not match the construct, was not commensurate with the construction of G+2 building, comma. Relook at the bill of quantities and estimate was prepared, comma, wherein the construction to be made was reduced to G+1.
G+1.
3+1. Full stop. The petitioner's counsel submits that subsequent to the above, a revised work order was issued on 7/2/2023. Full stop. He, however, submits that even the revised bill of quantities and estimate would not be sufficient to make a G+1 building. Full stop. He accordingly submits that an expert committee should look into whether the revised bill of quantities and estimate was sufficient for constructing a G+1 building. Full stop. On the other hand, Mr. B. Gogoi, the learned counsel for the NHM, submits that as per the contract agreement executed between the parties on 12/6, 12/6/2020, comma. There is an arbitration clause providing for resolution of disputes or differences between the parties in connection with the present construction of the building. Full stop. He accordingly submits that the petitioner should avail of the arbitration clause provided in the contract agreement. Full stop. I have heard the learned counsel for the parties. Clause 20 of the contract agreement executed between the parties states provides that in case of a dispute or difference arising between the employer and a domestic contractor relating to any matter arising out of or connected with the agreement, comma, such disputes or differences shall be settled in accordance with the Arbitration and Conciliation Act, 1996. It further states that the parties shall make efforts to agree on a sole arbitrator, and only if such an attempt does not succeed, and the arbitrator consisting of three arbitrators, one each appointed by the employer and the arbitrator and the contractor, and the third arbitrator to be chosen by the two arbitrators so appointed by the parties shall be considered. Clause 20 of the contract agreement states as follows, huh? Take it down. It is this. Full stop. In view of the above arbitration clause, comma, the parties are given the liberty to approach the to invoke the arbitration clause for settling the disputes between the parties. Full stop. What about the bank guarantee?
That's what my
That's
lord.
what I'm saying, my lord. Otherwise, my lord, if they are only harping on the bank guarantee part, that's a, my lord, it should be decided by arbitrator. And
So
my lord,
that's
if-
why,
yeah.
my lord, there is a provision for passing of an interim order by arbitrator also.
In the arbitration.
So that approach I will make, but till then, my lord, till he decides this should be kept open, my, I mean, like, your lordship's order should hold the field. Maximum outer limit of 1 month, because we'll have to submit a letter. If supposing we don't agree to what, then we'll have,
11-6.
so therefore. Now, no 11-6, we'll directly, in terms of a lordship's order, we'll directly approach the authority. If we can agree to a common arbitrator, maybe within 15 days matter can be taken. Supposing if we don't agree to a common arbitrator, then we'll have to appoint our arbitrator.
Okay, right. The petitioner shall within 5 days,
3 days from today.
within 3 days, shall approach the respondent authorities for appointment of an arbitrator. Agreeable to both the parties. And the respondent authority shall thereafter immediately take a decision on the same. Within a further period of 3 days. Or within a period of 1 week.
7 days.
1 week. In a further period of 1 week. Full stop. The interim order passed by this court on 11/3/2024, directing that the bank guarantee of the petitioner should not be in cash, will continue to be in force for a period of 1 month
From
or
today.
from today or till a decision is taken by
Interim-
the arbitrator
My-
with regard to whether the interim order, whether the interim order should continue or not.
Yes,
Yes.
yes.
And my lord, regarding fresh tender and all, my lord, that there is no bar to that, my lord.
There's no bar. But then when there is a bank guarantee in cash, not in cash,
Not in case, but my lord, he is only trees and my lord, that should not be, my lord, and
that's a different issue.
the fresh,
I am not going to that.
Yes.
that my lord,
Give them.
contract, but then
No, no,
after the order is passed, my lord, I will.
Let him, he can take you got your photo, your camera, your photo.
No, no, hold.
We'll do it later. I will keep it, we'll give it to you later.
I didn't think.
My lord, as the case, my lord, of non-payment of contractors.
Mr. Counsel,
Yes,
see, there are two writ petitioners,
yes, my lord.
different causes of action. There are two contractors here.
Yes.
There should be separate contracts, separate
my-
cases.
His scheme was same.
Scheme may be one, but they're different work orders, no? You see, there are many schemes. All over India, there are many schemes. There are some schemes in which there's 1,000 kilometers of road to be constructed. But it's given to maybe 20 contractors. So these are all having different issues.
My lord,
The central government schemes are all over India, whole India schemes. But then the workers are different for different areas. So just because it's one scheme doesn't mean that you put everyone who has worked under that scheme in one case. You've got to make it separate cases.
then my lord, I will withdraw this.
Okay, make it
petition with
separate.
liberty and the file is separate.
Yes, anything else, madam? No, besides that, what do you think?
Yes, Your Honor.
Otherwise, my lord, regarding two petitioners, my lord,
separate question also,
Mr. Council, here, two writ petitioners asking for different rate, different contract works.
Yes, my lord.
Where is the common issue?
Yes,
Right, Mr.
NH.
M.H. Chaudhary, Land Council for the petitioners. Is that he may be allowed to withdraw the writ petition and file separate writ petition.
Yes. Leave it.
Where is allowed? Miss
A Lodha.
Miss A. Loda appears for the respondent numbers 2 to 5, while Miss A. Fukan appears for respondent number 1. That's what I said, for respondent number 1. The writ petition is, the writ petition is dismissed as withdrawn, with liberty as stated.
May it please your lordship. Item 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 and 19 may be taken up together. These are all non-payment of contractual dues, lordship.
Issue notice,
Lordship, and progress report is there.
progress report.
Yes, lordship.
What do you mean progress report? You are still working.
No, my lord, the work was, that's the admitted amount is given there.
Your contract matter is for which period?
2014-15, lordship.
2014-15.
Lordship.
And suddenly you wake up.
Lordship, they were writing to the authorities and their representation is
So,
there.
yes, what to do?
I'll take notice.
Miss B. Chowdhury appears for the petitioner who submits that the petitioner has not been given the contractual bills, but on all the cases 2014-15
Yes, lordship.
pertaining to their 2014-15. Issue notice returnable in 4 weeks. Mr.
I got it.
I. Thakur appears for all the state respondents. He shall obtain instructions and file affidavit if necessary. This is the matter after 4 weeks. Item
11
11, 12, 13, 14
and 19,
and 15. 15 also.
15 also.
And 19. Admitted amount 2014. Let them obtain instruction.
Yes, sir. Very well.
Which are? Yes, yes. Item 11 to 15 and 19,
And
same
19.
order.
Much obliged.
But this petition is against the award passed by the Labour Court, Guwahati. The award directs, Lord, 25/5/2023.
Award dated
25/5/2023.
25/5.
25/5/2023. It is at page
25/5/23. Yes. What is your case?
This is not the present two workmen. They were the permanent workers in Noapara Spinning Mill under the Assam State Textile Corporation Limited. In the year 2002, in the month of February and March, they went on earned leave. And when they came for joining after expiry of their sanction leave period,
They went for leave for how long?
till September,
Huh?
till September,
Till September.
till September 2002.
Then when they came to join, what happened?
Then the mill was temporarily closed, except the security guard, there were nobody.
Then were you allowed to work?
Milord, no. Subsequently, Milord, from 2007, the mill was permanently closed. With effect from 28/6/2007, Milord, the mill was permanently closed. And after closure, the remaining workmen were provided with the benefit of VRS as well as closure benefits till the date of the permanent closure. But these present two workmen, they were not provided with the closure benefit till 2007, and no VRS benefit was provided to them. Only closure benefit, they were provided with their benefit till the date when they went on earned leave. So this is the case. Industrial dispute was raised. That was conciliation was ended with failure, and it was referred to the Land Labour Court.
On what ground was it your case dismissed?
But dismissal it was referred. Lordship, may kindly have a look at page 11. The appropriate government referred the dispute to the Labour
No,
Court of the-
what does the court say? Labor court.
Court says, my lord, that as we were not in work since 2002, so we are not entitled to have the benefit of fairness and closure benefit till then. But other workmen who were also, as mill was temporarily closed at that time, and subsequently it was permanently closed. Other workers were provided with the benefit of fairness and closure benefit till the date of actual closure. And present workmen were not provided. At this stage, notice may go, let management come and record may be called for.
Yes.
Government is formal body, management.
It appears that there is no evidence with regard to 2002 to 2007.
That will, a record is required for that, my lord. Record
Aren't,
for that.
when the record, when the court says that, when the labor court says that, why should we look at it
Problem is that, my lord, as,
with squinted eyes or something like
at
that?
that time, my lord, these industries were not properly functioning. That was the problem.
But
And in that period, 2000,
Anyway,
two.
right, Mr. K.M. Haloy. Legal counsel for the
I am appearing as legal aid counsel.
Huh?
I am appearing as legal aid counsel.
legal aid counsel for the petitioners who submits that the impugned judgment and award dated 25/5/2023 passed in reference case number 0422 by which the case has been, the case of the workman has been dismissed to be set aside. He submits, no, the petitioner's case is that they were workmen in the,
Noapada spinning mill.
in the
Noapada
sense of-
spinning mill. Under Assam State Textile Corporation Limited.
They were workmen under the Noapara spinning mills under the Assam Textile Corporation Limited. They went on leave in February and March of 2002. On coming back to the mill, they found that the mill had been temporarily closed. Thereafter, the mill was permanently closed with effect from 28/6/2007. Next paragraph. The petitioner's grievance is that while all other employees of the mill were given VRS/closure benefits with effect from, till 28/6/2007, the petitioners were given what?
Till February and March 2000.
What were you given?
Closure benefits, only
Was
closure.
given closure benefits only till March,
March, February and March.
February and March 2002. Issue notice, returnable in 4 weeks. Ms. Udas accepts notice on behalf of. That's point number 1. Petitioner will take steps for service of notice upon the respondent number 2 by registered post with any within 3 days. Call for the LCR.
From
Call for the records from the labor court.
Labor Code Guwahati.
Labor court,
Guwahati.
Guwahati. It is the matter after 4 weeks.
Guwahati.
This is the petitioner is a contractor registered with the irrigation department, madam. In brief, I'll just narrate the story, what has happened, madam. In 2014, a tender was issued, madam, under a scheme, and the petitioner herein was selected as one of the 4 bidders. Now the work was completed and he submitted that I have completed the work. Thereafter, my lord, in 2.5 years, no bills were made. But after 2.5 years, only 30% of the bills were made. There were representations filed by the petitioner, my lord, and there was a field verification report by the chief engineer. A number of verification reports. Lordship would just refer to one. Lordship may dispose of the matter is already. Lordship would come to annexure J, my lord, page 71. This is a letter to the chief engineer by the superintendent engineer Nagaon Circle, my lord, page 71, the last annexure. May I read, my lord?
Yes.
To the chief engineer irrigation department, subject petition of Nakul Saikia, my lord, the writ petitioner. I'll directly come to the body of the letter, my lord. Sir, with reference to the subject cited above, I have the honor to lay before you the following lines for favor of your kind and necessary action. As per petition of Messrs. Saikia Enterprise was awarded the above mentioned work by so and so, so and so. In his petition dated nil to the chief engineer, he has claimed that he has completed the above mentioned work as per WO within the stipulated time in all respect, but the section officer had submitted the bill amounting of 3,74,000 against the work instead of 10,95,000. Number two, regarding this, the then superintendent engineer, Nagaon Circle, had inspected the so and so as per the direction of the chief engineer by this letter number 1/2017. During inspection, measurements were taken at the field and conclusion was drawn that an amount of 10,76,000 could be provided to the contractor. The chief engineer irrigation so and so instructed the then executive engineer KKID to furnish a detailed report. Accordingly, he furnished a detailed report where he had drawn the conclusion that the execution of the said component of the works seems to be justified. 4. The undersigned made a joint verification with the executive engineer Koliabor Jokhalabonda along with the assistant executive engineer, other field staff, and Nakul Saikia, the petitioner, my lord, under secretary so and so irrigation department to take necessary action regarding outstanding payment of the mentioned work. After joint verification, it is concluded that the work in question appeared to be roughly to be executed. However, the exact measurement could not be taken at present as the works have been completed approximately 9 years back. To process for payment for fresh preparation of bill is required for which measurements are to be recorded in the measurement book. For recording in measurement book, reference of measurement mentioned in the inspection report of the then superintending engineer may perhaps kindly be considered. Though the then superintending engineer had taken measurements and mentioned in his inspection report, no instruction was issued to the executive engineer regarding recording it in the measurement book. Therefore, your instruction regarding recording of measurement in MB for preparation of bill to settle the claim of payment of Messrs. Saikia Enterprise is highly solicited. This is for your kind disposal and necessary action. It is dated 21/6/2023. So, the petitioner will be satisfied if this is disposed of. There's already field verification. They have said I have completed the work. Let the chief engineer take a call on the representation manager. On not a representation, the
You
department.
see, the measurement, the MB book has to be done, the measurements have to be done. Lot of issues. This superintendent engineer, the way he written this letter, it's neither here nor there.
No, madam, it's based on other verification reports. And
No,
chief
let
engineer
us,
take a call as per-
let us issue note.
My lord.
Heard Mr. P. Mahanta, learned counsel for the petition. To submit that the contractual bills of the petitioner has not been paid till date. He further submits that the letter dated 21/6/2023 issued by the superintending engineer Nagaon Circle Irrigation to the chief engineer in irrigation department has not been acted upon till date. Issue notice returnable in 4 weeks, Miss
DS new power electronic.
DS
DS new,
Deary
new, new,
Nyok, accept notice on behalf of
all that.
all the respondents. This is the matter after 4 weeks. To enable her to place instructions and file affidavit in relation.
Tendency may not be a bar to dispose of the.
Pendency shall not be a bar for the respondents to consider the prayer of the petition.
Ultimately, Lordship, before the other party starts, may I have some, Lordship, can it be taken after some time? Lordship, this matter is taken care of by council. These are legs. Where's the blood? May I please your Lordship? May I please your Lordship? Lordship, the petitioner is challenging an order passed by the Member Secretary, Child Protection Society, Assam. The order is at page number 39. The contention of the order is this, that based on two separate criminal cases, my registration was cancelled. Lordship, the petitioner is a children home and an adoption agency. So Lordship, for those two criminal cases, the trial was conducted. I was acquitted in those two criminal cases, Lordship. And then I had approached again the issuing authority, Lordship. And Lordship, I'm still awaiting any response there for it.
So what right of yours has been violated?
Lordship,
What right of yours has been violated?
Lordship, without any due
You were in charge of what?
of a children home, Lordship.
Children home.
Children home, Lordship.
And you had two criminal cases against you.
Lordship.
And those criminal cases involved what?
Harassment only.
Huh? What was the section
Sexual
registered?
misconduct, Lordship.
Huh?
376 was there,
Sexual misconduct.
Lordship.
So you want to carry on with your children's home, though you had cases against you regarding children's misconduct.
Lordship, I was duly acquitted, Lordship.
Acquitted.
I was acquitted, Lordship. The orders are.
No, but
annexed
then
to the orders.
why should you be given?
Because
What
Lordship,
right have you got? You see, so sexual misconduct was you were
because
charged with sexual
alleged-
misconduct.
allegation.
Actually, all allegation. So
And
you were acquitted,
I was acquitted, Lordship.
and not one case, two cases.
Lordship,
I don't know.
Lordship in a similarly situated case.
Just let me ask you something. Supposing you have two children, and supposing you send your children to a tutor, say maths, science, whatever, and supposing you've got daughters, and supposing that tutor has got two criminal cases of rape, and he's been acquitted by the court, would you, as a parent, send your daughter to that tutor's house for tuition?
Lordship, at this stage, I will request Lordship that notice.
No, so I'm asking you. You are looking after two children's home. You have been accused of rape in two of the cases. You have been acquitted. And now you are asking that your home should be registered. And they are not registering you, correct?
Lordship, my humble submission is this, Lordship, this acquittal proves my innocence, Lordship. And Lordship, there has been conspiracy against me, which during the course of this litigation, Lordship, I will try to satisfy your Lordship. But at this stage, Lordship, I will.
No, the question is that do they have to register you? What is your right to get registered?
Lordship, in a similarly situated situation, and judgment was passed by this honorable court in petition number 2219 of 2019.
Where is that?
Lordship, I can, Lordship, after some time, I can provide you the
Yes,
copy
please,
of the judgment.
please provide.
Lordship.
Yes.
May it please your Lordship, the matter pertains to non-payment of contractual bill. Lordship,
Where is the admission?
Lordship, page number 30.
Page number
30. 30.
30.
Like Lordship, similar matters have been disposed of.
Maybe
Being the leading, please.
the similar order.
Lordship, I don't have the similar order right
And
now.
then how do you say that similar orders have been disposed of?
Lordship in
Some-
WPC number 4734,
4734, right? 4734.
public 2021.
Yes, madam. Similar matters.
So Lordship,
Okay.
doesn't dispose.
Then heard Miss
DJ.
D. Jain, Senate Counsel for the petitioner. Ms. A. Lodha appears for respondents number 2 to 6. Or what?
1 to 4.
1 to 4, 1 to 4, huh? And 5 will be who? Where is that? Miss A. Gayan appears for respondent number, CGC appears for respondent number 5. That's similar matters, huh? Is it regarded to the same scheme?
Yes, Your Lordship.
Same scheme. Okay, same manner disposed of. Okay.
Obliged.
Well, 42 and 43 same. May I pray my lordship may take up item 43 minor, same matter. 43 to hello. My lord, a tender was issued by the Indian Oil Corporation, my lord, for hiring trucks for carrying, my lord, LPG cylinder. Now, my lord, if your lordship would kindly come to page number, page 80, my lord, 80, no? Rejection, no rejection, 80, 80.
NIT dated?
NIT is date 24/11, my lord.
24/11/23.
Yes. What I have to get into technical video. Page 94, sorry. My ground of rejection, my lord. Page 94, serial number 26.
Yes.
Name is Hello Indian Gramin Vitrak. If your lordship will kindly come to on the right hand side, my lord, last but one column. Reader has not submitted PCQ documents related to the trucks offered. That means, my lord, the RC or any document in support of the ownership I have not submitted. That is the ground of rejection. Now, my lord will kindly come to page number yes, page number 37, my lord.
Yes.
My lord, lordship knows nowadays the RC is not, registration certificate is not given immediately. In fact, my lord, in respect of this vehicle, till today I have not received the RC from the
Your vehicle is which year?
of year 23, last year,
When did you buy it?
on 18/10/23. Now, this is the document, my lord. The one I am reading, page 37. Government of Assam, Kamrup, vehicle particulars. Application number so and so, registration date 18th October 23. Kindly come on the right hand side top. AS01RC0746. This is my registration number. I've given this. The RC has not given to me till then. It happens, my lord.
No, what is this?
This is the document given by the office of the district transport officers. When we buy a vehicle, on the-
So you submitted this?
yes, they say there is no RC. Now, my lord will kindly come to page 80. What does the PQC clause says?
Page?
Page 80. Part of the tender, my lord. Pre-qualification criteria. Number 1, truck ownership, owned attached truck. For owned attached truck, self-attested copy of Form 23A, RC book smart card, or invoice accompanied with temporary registration certificate. So, their clause itself says so. On this ground, my lord, my tender has been rejected. Now, one more thing, my lord. When earlier to this tender, there was another tender.
So you submitted this temporary registration
Yes,
certificate.
the document at page 37 and 43. I bidded for
43.
43 is for another vehicle, my lord. Same document. My lord, I have purchased a new vehicle so that I'll participate in the tender process. Now, my lord, this is the treatment I am being meted on. Not only that, my lord, earlier there was a tender for 6 months. Please come to page 46. Kindly see the subject, my lord. Induction of 33 numbers of pack truck for transportation of LPG cylinders ex North Guwahati BP. Please come to clause F. The period of contract shall be for a period of 6 months from the date of the work order or till validity of the current contract, that is whichever is earlier. Pursuant to this tender, my lord, I participated by the same two vehicle and I have given the work. And kindly see, my lord, at page number 58, while giving me this work, this is a checklist. Kindly see, my lord, tank truck checklist as per after issuance of LOI. Kindly see truck number A01RC0746, transporter name Hello Indian Gramin Vitrak, owner. Kindly see RC book available? Yes. Page number 58. RC book available? Yes.
But you don't have the
I
RC.
don't have. But there, earlier occasion, there, though I do not have the RC, but I'm holding the document where my registration has been given. And kindly see this QR code from please come to page 37, my lord.
Yeah.
This is a QR code is there. One can very well verify, my lord. Now, what had happened, my lord? I have not been given on the ground that I do not have RC. Now, what they have done, lordship will see. City Council. Please come to page 92, my lord. This is a document, my lord, given by IOC to one bidder called Progoti Associates who have been awarded contract. Kindly see, my lord. You failed to submit below mentioned document as per tender terms and conditions. Please submit the documents as listed below within the due date and time mentioned in the e-tender portal. Documents are necessarily to be submitted. E-tender portal only. Submission really shall not be accepted. Land border declaration, capacity, affidavit for truck, copy of registration certificate from register of etc. Notarized copy of the irrevocable power of attorney. You did not submit NOC for offered truck. So, my lord, Progoti can be, my lord, in case of Progoti, they have asked for all these documents. And Progoti has been given the work also. Now, what had happened, my lord? I think they asked for about 300 plus vehicles. As many bidders were not there. It's an ongoing work, my lord. Now, what they have done, they have issued additional offer at page 100. Kindly see, my lord, what these people are repository of public trust, what they are doing, my lord, how they are misusing their authority. Page 100. Offer for additional truck in tender so and so in vertical position on unit rate basis, etc. Now, my lord, we are pleased to inform you that as per NIT conditions subject tender, you can offer additional truck as per the following conditions. Now, my lord, persons who have got the offer, now they are asking them to offer more vehicle. but they will not give us though I have registration certificate. Maybe I am not the blue-eyed boy.
Anyway, let us see. Yes.
Your worship has seen the region has been recorded in the order.
Page 94.
My lord.
Bidder has not submitted PQC documents
Yes,
related
that
to the
my lord,
truck. What is PQC?
This, my lord, pre-qualification.
Pre-qualification criteria.
So now the pre-qualification criteria involves what document?
My lord, that is, that your lordship will find at page 80.
Page 80.
80. Therefore, my lord, the question arises, firstly, my lord, whether the petitioner has filed this document that my lord has just shown. That is one aspect, and if he has submitted those documents, whether that fulfills this requirement. So let me have an instruction, my lord, tomorrow or the day after.
So it will be with regard to one or two? Both.
No, my lord, only regarding,
One.
as far as we have got to know, my lord,
Only one.
that I have not, I have been able to submit the RC, registration certificate.
Okay. Right.
My lord, one more thing, my lord, I have made a statement. Till date, my lord, I have not been given the RC by the authority.
Doesn't matter.
It doesn't matter. my lord,
Doesn't
if this
matter.
fulfills the
Doesn't
requirement.
matter. As if you
No,
full,
only
if
thing is, my lord, they will not give any further work to other contractor in terms of that additional offer. Till then, my lord.
No, my lord, your
you
lordship.
you have got only one truck.
No, two trucks. No, in the both the cases, three of them, both the cases, three trucks.
And in this
In
case,
this case,
Your
two,
lordship,
in the other case, one.
no, your lordship will kindly see, my lord, this is a rejection order is of February.
Page
27th
100.
of February.
page 100.
27th of February. Today we are in March, my lord. We don't know what is the development. Your lordship will give me 1 or 2 days instruction only, my lord.
No, what
Because
I'm saying, I'm not objecting to all that. I'm saying is, my lord.
No, you'll not stop, your lordship will not stop, giving.
No, in the name of supply of LPG, you cannot create havoc like this.
No, we'll tell them to adjust if you get.
Yes, my lord. That
We'll
will
tell
be
them to
good.
adjust.
It's a continuous process, my lord.
Yes,
There's no
so let,
Because we will be requiring
yes,
more trucks.
yes. Right,
No, only thing is, my lord, lordship, is my humble request, my lord. In some of these cases, these officers should be pulled up, my lord. It is not an innocuous exercise, my lord. That, my lord, they know RC is there in the earlier exercise, they have found it is there. In the sense, ownership document is there. This time they are, behaving like an ostrich.
Whether you have
No,
submitted
no,
or not, that
no,
I
no,
don't
if
know.
what I'm
We don't
telling,
know.
no,
Maybe you have not submitted because you have
no,
already.
don't
earlier
claim that
submitted.
what you do, everything is right, and we are
I'm not
always at the
claiming. I'm not
faulty
claiming. I
end.
said that let me have the instruction. 1 day or 2.
okay,
You are
right. Third,
27
Mr. K.
months of what you are
Chaudhary,
challenging now.
Leonard, senior counsel for the petitioner who submits
Friday?
that the petitioner has got two trucks bearing registration number AS01 RC 0745 and same thing will be one is 46. The petitioner took part in the NIT dated 24/11/2023. However, while the tender summary report dated 27/2/2024. The petitioner, whose name appears at serial number 26, has been informed that his bid has not been accepted as his technical bid had been rejected, as the bidder had not submitted PQC documents related to the trucks offered, to the offered trucks. Full stop. PQC is the short form of pre-qualification criteria. And in terms of the PQC, the truck owner is to upload self-attested copy of the registration of the RC book slash smart card or invoice accompanied with temporary registration certificates slash temporary authorization of registration certificate for new trucks. Full stop. Page 80, huh? Full stop. He submits that the same having been done, there was no occasion for the respondents to have rejected the petition's technical bit. Full stop. Next para, Mr. M.K. Chowdhury, the learned senior counsel for the IOCL, submits appraised for time to obtain instructions as to whether the petitioner had submitted the temporary registration certificate or temporary authorization of registration certificate for new trucks as required in the PQC. This is the matter when?
Day after tomorrow, my lord.
Day after.
This is the matter there. Both. Acha, in 43,
My
the
lord,
truck
other
number.
Track number is AS 01RC 1545.
42.
Yes, yes. Let's take the number.
Huh.
You got the number?
AS 01RC 1545.
That is 42.
Previous item, my lord.
Acha, previous, that's 42.
Yes.
That's 40. This one, the earlier one was 43.
Yes.
There will be only one truck, in 42.
My lord, in this case, please come to my lord, page number, same matter, my lord, on a different ground. Page number 79.
Yes.
Now, this is the format of my lord, bid security declaration.
This format.
Yes.
Yes.
Now, they say I have not given this. Now, kindly see the consequence of not giving this, my lord. Supposing a bidder doesn't give, kindly see last one. Then I could be debarred from being eligible for bidding award of all future tender of Indian Oil Corporation Limited for a period of 6 months from the date of communication of such debarment. Supposing I don't give this, then what it entails is I'll be debarred. But there is no consequence entailing my rejection of my bid. Now the ground is, my lord, at page number 68, my lord. Bidder failed to submit bid security declaration. Bidder is technically disqualified as per clause number 4.
Serial 59.
Page 68, my lord, serial 59. Last one.
Yes.
Bidder failed to submit bid security declaration. Bidder is technically disqualified as per clause number 4. I have given it, my lord.
You've given it.
Yes.
Let him take
Please
it.
come to page 76.
Let him take. Let
Same
him take.
sentence.
Right. Mr. K. Chaudhary, let us senior counsel submits that the petitioner's bid has been, the technical bid has been rejected on the ground that the petitioner failed to submit bid security declaration. Mr. M.K. Chaudhary, learned counsel for the IOCL, submits that he will obtain instructions with regard to the above. This is the matter of Wednesday.
On Wednesday. Deep dive.
You're still beginning item 22.
May I please, Your Lordship? Acha. Just 2 minutes.
Lordship. You order, your lordship. Either says 13 of my eye, against which present
vacating petition have been.
We'll dispose of the entire case. Why?
Yes, my lord.
Is it required?
Yes, my lord. Why I'm saying that? I filed RTI to get the financial bid, but they didn't supply.
You are for the writ petitioner?
I'm for the rate petition.
Okay, yeah, that is-
And they are,
Probably your lordship record will not be required in this case. On
I
this
know, yes. What is the case?
Case, your lordship, is that.
Now, what is the petitioner's case?
my lord. There is an NIT, my lord.
Your financial bid was cancelled or what?
My financial bid is rejected during the financial evolution. Technical bid was open on 1/8/2023. We have.
Oh, just a minute. Technical bid,
Technical bid was open on 1/8/2023.
yes.
Thereafter, financial bid was open on 9/8/2023.
Yes,
Thereafter, they have sent me a text message on 7/9/2000.
fax message.
Text message.
Text.
SMS.
What text? How do you send text message?
By
Hello,
WhatsApp.
What?
It's
Huh?
it's an SMS.
SMS.
On 7/9/2023.
Just an SMS on 7/9
7/9/23.
stating,
7/9/2023.
stating,
Where they have rejected my financial bid during the financial evolution.
yes, then, so what is wrong?
Thereafter, I have approached this honorable court. And the honorable court, after hearing the parties, they have, the honorable court stayed the.
Tender
NIT
process.
Entire process. Not to proceed.
NIT dated, NIT dated
And I
26/6/2020.
26/6/2023.
26/6/2023.
This is for what?
This is for providing for housekeeping services at CIT Kokrajar.
At CIT,
CIT
Kokrajar.
Kokrajar.
Central Industrial Tribunal, huh?
Central Institute of Technology.
Central Institute of Technology. Okay. So, yes, so what is your grievance?
My given system. They have said that I did not.
So your grievance is known, but what is the reason for rejection of your tender? Your financial bid?
Yes, my lord. They are saying that I did not quote the GST on the service charge.
Did not quote
GST on service charge.
GST on service charge.
Yes, sir. However, there is no clause in the NIT mandating the quoting of GST on services, my lord. And the respondent authorities.
There is no
clauses, my lord, in
There
the
is-
NIT, my lord, in the NIT.
There is no clause in the NIT.
NIT, my lord, mandating the quoting of GST, my lord, on service charge. The respondent incorporated this set criteria only after opening the financial bid.
So that is your case.
This is my case. When we come to page number 33, there is the eligibility criteria.
Page 33.
Page 33. There is the eligibility criteria. Double three. There is no dispute that I am also eligible and both the, as well as the respondent number 5 also eligible, madam. And we have to come to page.
No,
number-
also eligibility criteria is there, so
Yes, my lord.
where is your
Yeah.
text message? Let me see your text message page.
Page 33 is the eligibility criteria, madam. I mean, text message for me.
257. 258.
257 in my 258.
257.
This is the site copy, my lord. 256.
In our petition 250.
That should show you of the scent. We are walking in this path so that you go different paths. He's giving you that pagination. Service charge meaning that 10% service charge or what?
Lordship, this is in that service charge, your lordship, is to be quoted in percentage, maximum 10%, your lordship. Here, your lordship, he has not mentioned the percentage, your lordship, in the tender document. Your lordship.
Anyway, yes, anything else? Let
Yes,
us
sir.
see, where does the NIT talk about the service charge?
There is no clause, my lord. Regarding the GST on the services, there is no clause.
There is no clause
There's
regarding
no clauses,
service
my lord.
charge.
There is services, my lord. And the financial bill, there is page number 54, my lord. And my petition, my lord.
Page
Page number 54. This is
50,
54. 54.
54.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Here, the number A, my lord. TDS and TDS on GST as per the applicability shall be deducted monthly from the gross bill amount to be paid to the contractor. And number F, my lord. Contract shall be awarded to the bidder whose service charge is lowest among all the submitted bidders.
so service charge has to be shown.
Service charge, my lord, yes, service charge, the percentage, my lord. I have quoted
Huh?
the service
That
charge.
percentage?
Yeah, this is said, but contract shall be awarded to the bidder whose service charge is lowest.
Correct, that means
Among-
that means there is a clause on service charge.
Services, my lord.
Huh?
But this is not saying about the GST, my lord.
Okay, say that, okay, but on the service charge, there is a clause.
Services is this clause, but including the GST, there is no clauses.
So there is no, so what you're saying is that there is no interest, there is no clause saying that interest is required to be given on the service charge. Or is required to be included in the service charge. That's your case. Or what?
My lord, my percentage of services is 2.85%. It is only required.
Let me see the tender documents, Mr. Counsel. Let us see the tender documents, where the clauses, which documents are required. Are you the petitioner are you
I
the
am
petitioner
I am
counsel?
for the petition, yes, my lord.
Or have you got a senior counsel or someone? Have you got some leading counsel?
Your lordship may kindly come to page
You're
254.
not making sense of it. Yes, page
254, your lordship.
252.
This is the format given by the tendering authority, your lordship, in which we are to required to fill up the,
252, yes.
your lordship will find, your lordship, wages. This is the
252,
254.
4. Item rate BOQ.
Lordship, this is technical assistance skill category. Wages 21,000. Your lordship,
Just a minute, where you getting?
1.02, your lordship. 254.
1.02.
02 administrative and service charge, your
Correct,
lordship.
correct.
Then your lordship 1.03 GST. Now
Yes,
GST is required to be quoted, your lordship, 21,000 plus 600.
where do you get that?
That your lordship, this 1.03 GST,
Yes,
3780. It is not that they have not quoted it, your lordship. They have quoted, this is their document, your lordship. But your lordship, what they did, your lordship, they quoted on the basis of this on the wage, your lordship, 21,000.
where do you get 21,000?
That is the column number 13, your lordship.
Column number 13.
First, your lordship, item description, then quantity, then units, then quoted currency, and the basic rate as per month in figure to be entered by the bidder. So,
Then total amount per year with taxes.
lordship, this is your lordship 3780. That is the GST. And
Huh?
it's page number 254 itself, your lordship.
No, you get this 22 lakhs, no, 2 lakhs to 26,800.
It is to tell.
Yes, total.
Total.
So
Yes.
where were you reading 21,000?
That is your lordship will
Column number
get it,
30, my lord.
column number 13, it was written.
Column number 30.
First, your lordship serial number, then name, item description,
Yes,
then quantity,
yes,
then units,
yes,
then quoted currency in the so and so INR,
yeah, 12,
then basic rate,
13.
13 euros, 21,000. Just below that.
No. 21,000 is for wages.
Lordship,
That's different.
wages, that is the basic wage per person, your lordship.
Ah,
Then your lordship, then next column, next row, your lordship,
administrative charges.
administrative charges 600.
Yes,
Then one will have, tenderer will have to quote the GST.
yes,
Then GST will receive everybody else quoted by using book, adding both these two your lordship. This wage plus administrative charge. Now he has quoted only on wages, your lordship. That's your lordship the point, your lordship, on which
okay, so he did not make his GST
included in
on wages and administrative and service
both
charge.
together, your lordship.
No, my lord, wages I have quoted, my lord.
Wages you have
Only-
quoted, but you have not added
Quoted
on administrative
Yes,
service.
your lordship.
Administrative and services. That is not,
That is the ground. Now, your lordship, why, how it will impact your lordship? Ultimately, if he quoted on both your lordship, then his bid will increase, your lordship. If he does not quote your lordship, then his bid will be lower, your lordship. That's the point. And that's why, your lordship, the authorities has rejected his bid. And he himself says, your lordship, on the one hand, his stand is that there is no provision for quoting GST in the tender document. Then he says that this 600 includes GST. That is his stated stand in the writ petition, also in the affidavit.
That
in reply.
600 includes GST.
Includes GST, but no one will get to know it from this, your lordship. They will have to mention this, that 600 is,
No, show me your tender.
my tender is your lordship. In IA, your lordship.
Yes,
Page 25, your lordship will find.
yes,
Now, your lordship. Wages 21,006,
yes,
then administrative charge 723,
yes.
then GST. And my GST, if we calculate, your lordship, then your lordship will come to 18%, your lordship, on this, by adding both these two, your lordship.
Or by adding these two.
Both these two.
It comes to 18%.
18%.
And his comes to?
He is also, your lordship, he should have 18% of 600, he should have included, your lordship. That he did not include, your lordship.
No, no, let me see. How do you? So 21 plus 600 will be 21,600.
To 21,006 plus 723.
No, no, 723 is yours.
Oh, yes, sir.
600,
Lord.
600. So it's 21,600.
Then it will-
Divided by 3780, or how do you calculate? Or percentage?
18% of 21,600. 18%.
How much does it come? It comes to 3780.
598.5.
No, 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 yeah.
3,888 euros. It should be 3,888.
So 18% of 21,000 comes to this 3780.
3,780. And
If it was with 21,600, it will be slightly,
higher euros. Then it will be
just see how much is it?
3,888 euros.
388.
Of both euros.
If both.
That's the issue. Now, whether your lordship, that the authorities, your lordship, feels that this should be there, and it should have been there. Otherwise, your lordship, how the total,
What was your bid amount total?
total bid amount, your lordship? His bid amount was, my bid amount was.
2,23,84,800. Case number 27 of here.
And how much was your bid total?
My one is like,
My bid, your lordship, page 27 of my IA, 2,23,84,000.
836. And the petitioner?
Petitioner is your lordship,
2,22,04,000, 4,452.
4,000.
452.
4,452.
2 crore, 22 lakhs, 400,
So there's hardly any difference.
some difference.
So if it was, so even if it was 388, how much would this bid come to?
That calculation will have to be done by the authority, because your lordship, that is in respect of only one person, your lordship.
Huh?
That is only in respect of one person.
What do you mean?
Your lordship will kindly come. There are various, your lordship, there are office assistant, then office attendant skill. There are number of, then office attendant semi-category, house, guest house caretaker, driver. There are number of, your lordship, persons one will have to submit.
No, but this item, this 2 crore something is for the entire thing.
Lordship.
Then,
That is why, your lordship, that will have to be calculated by the authorities, your lordship. Since he has not included it, they could not calculate it, your lordship, with the GST, your lordship. And that's the reason why, your lordship, bid was rejected, your lordship, financial bid.
oh, okay, so it will become higher than yours.
Lordship, my submission is that, your lordship.
No, your submission, but does it become?
That, your lordship, I have not made that calculation, your lordship. That is for the authorities, your lordship.
We're saying Ayan will not. She doesn't know maths.
They have not correctly quoted the rates, your lordship. That's the ground, your lordship. And on,
They are supposed to charge wages plus administrative and service time. Yes,
My lord,
Yes.
my lord. Their financial bid is 22 crore 23 lakhs 84,836. And the authority consider their financial bid is their, my lord, 2 crore 24 lakhs 77,396.
who's bid?
The authority, my lord, the CIT has considered.
Who's bid? 2 lakhs?
That,
Like-
applicants, my lord, the private respondent number 5.
They considered the bid of 2 crore 23 lakhs as what?
2 crore 24 lakhs 77,396.
77,396.
396, right. There
Ah.
is total 92,560 rupees is different. What the authority has considered their bid and what they have submitted in their BUQ, their financial amount, my lord, total financial bid, my lord, it is totally different, my lord.
What about you?
My lord, I have quoted rightly, but only they are saying that I didn't quote the GST on administrative and services charge, my lord.
And if you had quoted as they wanted? They are the authors of the document.
Yes, my lord, they are the author of the documents, my lord. They have to expressly specify in the NIT, my lord, but they didn't say anything about the GST, whether that is inclusive or exclusive, whether it is required or doesn't require. They didn't say anything about that, the GST, my lord. So, my lord, and I have filed affidavit in reply. The affidavit submitted by the 1 to 4, my lord. There, at present, I'm rendering that providing services of housekeeping, my lord. There, I have to give this GST in the monthly bill of the employee, my lord, 18% GST, my lord. There is no required in this NIT, my lord.
Look, Mr. Counsel, since you're right now dealing in that, you're still under contract with them. Now, do you have to consider GST on this administrative and service charge also?
But there is charge.
Not but,
my lord.
just answer the question.
Fine.
Do you have to consider the GST on the administrative and service charge as on today? You're working with them,
Yes, my lord, I'm working with.
then
Well,
do you
there
have to
is-
consider GST on administrative and service charge?
Including all wages, administrative and services in the bill, my lord. Yes, my lord, I'm paying the 18% GST, my lord.
Then,
That is there, my lord.
oh, then why shouldn't you, since you are working there, you know that it is chargeable, then
That
why
is in
haven't
the
you
bill,
added
my
here? Huh?
That is in the bill, my lord.
Correct.
Yes, my lord.
But
But
then, but then now, so what you're going to do is, you're going to have a different estimate, tender estimate, and then your actual charge will be higher than your estimate, that means. So what is wrong in there?
Regarding that, my lord, I have filed RTI, my lord. They didn't say anything, they didn't give us, and thereafter I have filed.
They don't need to be sub judice now.
No, my lord.
So if you have got any, if you have got any grievance with the RTI, under the RTI Act, there's an appellate authority. Second appellate authority, you are aware of that.
Whether all the bidders are reported GST or not regarding that aspect, I have filed RTI matter. But they didn't give matter. Regarding, in spite of that matter, they are pressuring me to withdraw this reputation matter. But now, my lord, the difference, the financial bill is totally different, my lord. Then
Huh?
how, the financial bill that is filed but submitted by the applicant, my lord. And the financial bill, they have
Where is the
considered
acceptance,
different.
where is the acceptance of their financial bid?
The financial bill, yes, my lord. In my reply, my lord. Oh, my lord, hold the affidavit in a reply. Filed by me, there. Filed by me, my lord. Page number 293. Affidavit in reply, filed by me.
Yes.
Page number 293. The first, column number 1, my lord, in the table, my lord, Omega Security Solution, that is applicant at present. Total amount, final contract is 2,24,77,000.
Mr. Council, page 293.
293, yes.
293, this one, this
Affidavit in
document,
reply, my lord.
this document. Yes, Miss Again, what is this? Is this 293? Is this, madam, just look at this. Is this 293? Let me see how, because this is 293 in my file. Madam, it may be anything. Just show me. That is 293. No, it's okay. And this 293 I have is not. Please paginate your pages as with the court pages. We cannot do it otherwise. I think we'll list it again. You'll paginate your affidavits. Right. The counsel for the party shall paginate their pleadings in as per the pagination done to the court record. This is the matter after the. You do this. Do this.
Engineering on the maybe continue, my lord, till then.
Please paginate properly. You can't even find your page. Your 293 something else. Your 293 something else.
Approximate fixed date. is what?
8.
8 of April.
Obliged.
Lordship, I am pressing this judgment passed by this honorable court, Lordship. Judgment to review করে
No, Mr. Kaushik, this is a different issue. In your case, that person is still working. He's the head honcho of this petitioner thing. Out here, the allegation was made against the superintendent of that age home. Now he is no longer associated with this.
Lordship, he was no longer associated with.
Correct.
But
No,
he
it's
was
not,
also acquitted, Lordship.
but in this case it's different. It was in that context. That's why this court has said. Since the order dated so pertains to a specific instance of alleged wrongful conduct by the then superintendent of the child care home, who is reportedly no longer associated with the institution. And considering the fact that, so these issues were so this is not applicable.
Lordship, my humble submission is this, Lordship. Although Lordship, the chairman right now, who's the, who has.
The chairman is,
At least the children home should not be,
Mr. Counsel, we are not going to send children to be abused.
Lordship,
Just
my
like that.
innocence, Lordship, I have proved my innocence by way of acquittal, Lordship.
Maybe, but then when there
If your
maybe.
Lordship is reluctant to accept my innocence, Lordship. Lordship
No,
may
no,
continue
I'm
the
not,
stigma
I'm not,
I am facing, the
I'm not,
society will always
I'm,
look at me as a
Mr.
innocent
Kaushal,
person.
I'm not reluctant. There's no question of reluctance. The question is whether you should be allowed to look
The
after
society will always look at me
children's
as
home.
As an accused person, Lordship.
Huh?
Even after being acquitted, Lordship.
You should know, better to have a safe environment.
Lordship,
When
for a moment,
allegations are.
Lordship, page number 48, Lordship, of my petition.
Yes,
For a moment, Lordship.
madam, what to do?
Lordship, because here challenged the earlier order, 8 May 2018.
Page?
That order was good, my lord, because page 39, because while there was, my lord, there were two criminal case against the petitioner, my lord, how he can be allowed to continue, my lord? So
Correct.
that order, 8 May 2018
Lordship,
order.
this is my case, Lordship. Lordship, I have been acquitted, Lordship, and I have
Acquittal-
proved my innocence, Lordship.
Acquittal is, my lord, on the, my lord, it's a beyond reasonable doubt and all, my lord. So, but since, my lord, that man is still in continue, my lord.
I have passed all the cases, Lordship.
You see, this court has got the discretionary power
Yes,
to
Lordship.
either exercise or not to.
Lordship,
This court is not inclined to.
Lordship.
Right. Heard, Mr.
PP Mehdi, Lordship.
P.P. Mehdi, learned counsel for the petitioner, who submits that the petitioner is an NGO working in the field of child welfare and is represented by its chairman, Shri Madhav Krishna Goswami. Yes, sir. He submits that the petitioner was registered in the year 2012 under section 34 bracket 3 of the Juvenile Justice bracket Care and Protection of Children bracket close Act, 2000, and later as a specialized adoption agency bracket SAA under section 65 bracket 1 of the Act. Yes, sir. He submits that the petitioner has been working tirelessly towards child welfare and was recognized as a reputed orphanage and child adoption agency until the cancellation of its registration in the year 2018. The petition, next paragraph, the petition counsel submits that two criminal cases
Lordship,
were registered against the chairman of the petitioner organization, that is Mr. Madhav Krishna Goswami. That is, what are the case
my
numbers?
lord, case 39, your lordship will find, my lord, Silapathar PS case number, my lord,
150,
150, case 39, your lordship will. Yes.
That is Silapathar PS case number 12/2018 under section 376 bracket 2 bracket F slash 354 IPC on 8/1/2018 on the basis of an FIR launched by one Srimati Anita Garg. Gustav. The case was with regard to sexual child abuse in the petitioner society. Gustav. What has happened to this case?
Lordship, for a moment, page number 48, regarding this Anita Gaur Lordship, there was an inquiry conducted by the executive magistrate Dhemaji, and he has submitted a report. I have annexed this report also at page number 48, Lordship. Kindly move for a moment, Lordship. Page number 48, Lordship. I will read the from point number 4, Lordship, regarding Sri Girish Saikia. I will read, Lordship. The inmates and the
No, Mr. Counsel, there's a small issue. This police case, what has happened to it? Was
acquitted, Lordship.
acquitted?
I'm acquitted.
So where it was, this is PS case, where is the court case
Yes,
number?
Yes, court case, Lordship. Court case number is, Lordship, sessions, case number 22 of 2018, Lordship.
Page?
Page 60, Lordship.
What have I said? Mustafa. The other case that had been initiated against the chairman of the petitioner society was, but what was the other case?
Lordship, I'm sorry, Lordship. The first case is sessions case 107 of 2010, and the second case is sessions case number 22 of 2018.
Where is the first case? Where is that?
Page 50, 50.
Was in relation to, was in relation to, what is this police case number?
First one, Lordship, is 150, Lordship. 150 of
2009.
2009.
Which police station case?
Silapathar.
Silapathar.
Same, both are Silapathar.
Silapathar.
Silapathar police case, PS case number? The first one?
150.
150, no, that I've got 2009. The other one is, the second one is
12 of 2018.
12 of 2018. Acha, wait, huh? The first will be 150 of 2009 under section 376/506 IPC. And second one is 12 of 2018 under section 376 bracket 2F, bracket 2 bracket F slash 354 IPC. Next paragraph. No, just read from the very beginning. I've lost track. No, that will be number 2, huh? The first one you have to put first. Will be Silapathar PS case number, that earlier one. You put 150 of 2009 first. And the section 376/506 and Silapathar PS case number 12 of 2018. Okay, then carry on reading then. The cases are with regard to. No, the cases, no. The case are relating to sexual, the cases are regarding, okay, anyway, I'll change that to and then read, carry on reading. I've already read, no. Just cut that that paragraph. I'll read it again. I'll just cut that entire paragraph. Cut. Just right. The petitions council submits that two criminal cases regarding rape were registered against the petitioner. That is 150/09 under section 376/506 IPC. And Hilapatar PS case number 12/2018 under section 376(2) F/354 IPC on 8/1/2018. First off, he submits that charge sheets were filed in the above two cases and the sessions court has acquitted the petitioners, the chairman of the petitioner society in both the cases. Yes, sir. Accordingly, first off, the petitioner thereafter approached the member secretary, Child Protection Society, Assam, with a prayer to cancel the order dated 8/5/2018 and to re-register the petitioner organization to allow it to function as a children home and specialized adoption agency. Gustav. However, as there is no response from the authorities, the this court should set aside the illegal order of cancellation of registration dated 8/5/2018 issued by the member secretary State Child Protection Society Assam and direct the and allow the petitioner organization to continue to work as a children's home and as a specialized adoption agency. Next para. Yes, anything to say?
My lord, because they have challenged the 8 May 2018 order, my lord, that is not bad, my lord, that is because that was passed because two cases were pending. One is, my lord, under 376 and other is, my lord, child abuse, sexual abuse, my lord, POSCO Act 2012. So, my lord, that was rightly cancelled.
But now he has been acquitted.
My lord, that reconsideration is, my lord,
We
it is,
can
my
write.
lord, up to the
Right.
authority.
Yes.
But, my lord, this order is not bad.
Correct, yes, correct. Miss Yudas, learned counsel for the state respondents,
Lordship.
on the other hand, submits that the that there is no infirmity with the order of cancellation of the order of cancellation dated 8/5/2018 issued by the member secretary State Child Protection Society, in as much as two cases of rape had been registered against the chairman of the petitioner society. He also submits that reconsideration of whether the petitioner organization as a children's home and as a specialized adoption agency is entirely the discretion of the state respondents, keeping in view the fact that the chairman has been charged with 2 criminal cases earlier. Proceed. Where is that order? Impugned order cancelling your license?
Lordship, page 39,
Page
Lordship. Page 39. The last paragraph, Lordship. Second last paragraph.
Right, I have heard the learned counsel for the parties. As can be seen from the contents of the writ petition. Two cases had been registered by the Silapathar police station against the petitioner, which resulted in two criminal cases being taken up by the Sessions Court in Dhimaji, one being Sessions case number 107 bracket DH slash 2010 under three 76. Bracket 1 IPC. What's up? The learned Sessions Court acquitted the appellant, acquitted the chairman of the petitioner organization from the charge under section 376 bracket 1 IPC on giving him the benefit of doubt. Next para. The other case before the Sessions Judge Dhimaji pertained to Sessions case number 22 of 2018 arising out of Silpathar PS case number 12 of 2018 under section /374/376/511 IPC. Gustav. The Sessions Court passed its judgment dated 21/11/2018 in Sessions case number 22 of 2018 by acquitting the chairman of the petitioner organization from the charges under section 354/376/511 IPC. On the ground that the prosecution failed to prove its case beyond all reasonable doubt. Thus, thus, as can be seen from the above, the two criminal cases that have been registered against the petitioner ended in acquittal of the petitioner. Full stop. The impugned order dated 8/5/2018, by which the registration of the petitioner organization to run the children home had been cancelled, had been made in view of the two criminal cases having been filed against the chairman of the petitioner society. The next para, no, continue. The fact that the that the chairman of the petitioner organization has been acquitted of the charge framed against him in the above two criminal cases, does not ipso facto mean that the petitioner organization should be automatically given registration to run a children's home, given the fact that criminal cases had been made against the chairman of the organization. This court is of the view that in view of the facts of the case stated above, the question of giving registration to the petitioner organization for running a children's home should be left entirely at the discretion of the authorities concerned. And this court is not inclined to exercise its discretion in the above matter, given the facts and circumstances of the case involving the chairman of the petition organization. Consequently, this court is not inclined to. Consequently, the writ petition can dismiss, as this court is not inclined to exercise its discretion in the present case. Full stop. However, the state respondents are at liberty to consider the petitioner's representation dated
21/1/2024.
21/1/2024 for registration of the petitioner organization as a children's home as per its discretion.
Children home and SSA.
Huh?
SSA, Specialized Adoption Agency.
Children's Home as Specialized Adoption Agency. There'll be another case against your chairman. Acha, one thing you write, One thing you write. The petitioner's counsel submits that the present case is similar to the case submits that the present case can be disposed of in terms of the order dated 13/6/2022, passed in WPC 2212 of 2019, as the facts are similar. Then during my thing, on considering the facts of the case in WPC 2212 of 2019, this court finds that the facts in this case and the facts in WPC 2212 of 2019 are not similar at all. The reason being, are not similar. Full stop. In WPC 2212/2019, the superintendent of the child care home against whom not child care home, who had been acquitted in the criminal cases initiated against him was no longer associated with the child care home. Full stop. However, in the present case, the chairman of the petitioner organization who had been acquitted in the two criminal cases, continues to be the chairman even till today. As such, the order dated 13/6/2022 passed in WPC 2212/2019 is not applicable to the facts of this case.
Nice.
I'm deeply obliged, Lordship.
I understand your lordship wanted some clarification to this matter.
Yeah. Basically, out here, you had not submitted that 22-23
22-23 financial year.
financial year. ITR, the income tax return of 22-23 you did not submit, I think.
To make
Correct?
it convenient for your lordship, I prepared a chart that will make. The lordship just transfers through the chart. The facts are all here.
Yes, this is this one.
Yeah.
Correct. So you had submitted 2021-22. Yes,
This.
but they wanted 22-23.
22-23 financial year, which the due date is in October 2023. So how could I have submitted that? That is my case.
So
And they did not clarify.
now what has happened? What has happened to the tender?
There is an interim protection.
Okay, so consider the tender also.
Lordship, if possible, I know Lordship has already taken this. Can this matter is still taken up after some time?
There's
Lordship, I
nothing-
cannot make
There-
my submission.
There's nothing, it's only for clarification.
Lordship.
You consider the tender also. So I just wanted a clarification with regard to that. Order is already here.
Oh,
I just have to sign it now.
then it's okay.
So I'll just sign it and,
I got worried, Lordship.
huh?
I got worried, Lordship, that
No, I just wanted clarification.
Look.
Today's the same, huh? Today's what date? 18. Oh, date of hearing cannot be. It is not same. Okay, we have to change it. Huh. Okay, we'll dispose it off. It's here. We have to change that part.
Obliged.
No need. No. Yes, madam.
My lord. My lord, we filed the affidavit, my lord. We have stated, my lord. We have already, released the amount of rupees 4,40,053 rupees, my lord, and which they are, my lord, now disputing, my lord, the fact, the payment, my lord.
My lord,
Page.
Page,
No, this is item number 14.
24, my lord.
24. no? So you're claiming how much?
My lord, our claim is 7,97,346. Out of that, we have been. paid only-
347.
My lord.
47 or 46?
7,97,346. Out of that, 1,63,507 has been paid.
1,56,63,500 paid. So
So, my
Now,
lord,
and how much have they admitted?
my lord, they have admitted that they have admitted that 4,44,000 has been paid.
And my lord, the remaining amount will be sanctioned, my lord.
How much is the remaining amount?
That is, my lord,
My lord,
not clear from our affidavit. But they are disputing that they have not even received the 4,40,000.
That though you go into civil court, we cannot go into that
My
issue.
lord.
Whether
So,
you received, not received,
my lord,
those are disputed questions
My
of
lord.
fact.
they have not annexed any acknowledgement, any documents showing that we have received money.
Mr. Counsel, this is not a money shoot.
My lord.
Yeah, we cannot go into all those issues. The total amount of rupees funds has been paid to the petitioner. The rest of the amount will be paid after sanctioning of the amount.
Lordship.
So you all have admitted to the fact that some amount has been paid. Now, how much?
The rest of the amount. It's a sanction of it.
6 minus 4,40.
Is these 13 bills, where are your 13 bills in the writ petition? You see, your SP, whoever he is,
Lordship.
it's not the way to, you see, this, we are a high court.
Lordship.
It's not the way it has been done.
Lordship.
Maybe, should we call him to explain?
I'll take the my lord proper instruction, my lord, and.
What does
if
he think he
necessary,
is?
we'll file and my lord, affidavit, additional affidavit, my lord, bringing the my lord, facts that on which date what amount has been paid and what are the.
How
amount
much is claimed?
My lord,
How much is paid?
Paid.
How much you are supposed to pay?
paid.
This is not done.
Lordship. The remaining amount is not clear, my lord. So I'll file an additional affidavit. my
When?
lord.
No, we can't have time. This is 2018 also.
Lordship. My lord, next week, then my lord, next week. further. Can we stand, my lord? Because next, my lord, 4 days is my lord, so there are holidays, my lord. 4 days next holiday. So, my lord, I'll obtain my lord by that time, within 2 weeks, my lord. Within 2 weeks, my lord. I'll get the calculation. my lord.
You're trying, you can't be allowed to play around with the high court like this,
Lordship. It's
or with any court for that matter.
correct. 18, my lord, we have filed the affidavit in the year 2018, and they have filed the affidavit in reply, my lord, 2nd of February 2024. There they have denied the amount.
No, why you also delaying the matter?
Lord-
6 years you take to file a affidavit.
My lord, for that, my lord, we also paid some cost also.
My lord, in the month of January, my lord, probably cost was also imposed upon the petitioner for my lord. Anyway, my lord, I'll obtain instruction, my lord.
Right.
Within
Yes.
2 weeks, my lord. 2 weeks time, I will have.
Miss Udas, learned counsel for the respondent shall obtain instructions with regard to para 7 of the affidavit in the position filed by the respondent number 4, which states that, inverted commas, the rest of the amount will be paid after sanctioning of the amount from the Assam Police Headquarters, Guwahati, Assam. Ms. Yuda shall obtain specific instructions as to the specific amount of money that is still to be paid to the petitioner by way of an additional affidavit to be filed within a week. List the matter on 27.
25.
My lord, but I have received instructions, my lord, I will file my affidavit.
To what effect?
My lord, it is complex, my lord. I have to bring it on record, my lord.
No one appears for the petitioner on call. Mr. Adhar submits that he has received parawise comments and will be filing the same within
2 weeks.
2 weeks. This is the matter after 2 weeks.
Because, my lord, in this period, they will be getting money. That is their pipeline.
Item 26.
This requisition has become infraction of my body.
Yes, madam.
Lordship, I'm appearing on behalf of SK Talukdar. There is no grievances against the respondent number 2 and 4.
Okay. Mr.
D. Golita, madam.
D. Kalita appearing for the
Petitioner.
petitioner submits that the writ petition has become infructuous. Ms.
B. Bania,
B.
Bania,
Bania
on behalf of SK Talukdar.
appears on behalf of Mr. S.K. Talukdar, learned counsel for the cooperative department. In view of the submission made by the petitions counsel, the writ petition is dismissed as infructuous.
27.
May I please your lordship? Lordship, this case has been newly handed over to us by the previous standing council, so we need time for the instructions.
Madam, you've got an affidavit. Come,
Yes, but
here are affidavit of respondent number 4.
actually it contradicts with the order lastly passed by the honorable court. Because in para 5, it is stated that an amount of 12,274 is left over to be paid.
Yes,
But in last previous order, which I saw, there is some gap. That it is showing that only this amount has been paid off and the rest amount is left over.
only, so according to, no, that is. Correct. No, the thing is that once this is admitted amount, so. So only 12,000 has to be paid to him, that's all.
Yeah, we don't have the instructions for the same, that what is the current status of the same case.
Right. No one appears for the petitioner on call. The matter pertains to non-payment of contractual bills. So, as per para 5 of the affidavit in opposition filed by the respondent number 4. That is the chief engineer, Water Resources Department. Right? No. Water Resources Department. Only an amount of rupees 12,274 is payable to the petitioner. Next para. Para 5 of the affidavit in opposition filed by the respondent number 4. States as follows. This one. Okay, I'll just put that. This. So you pay this 12,000, that's enough. This is the admitted amount. Unfortunately, he is not here. Miss A. Lodha appears for the respondent numbers
1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7.
1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7. Who appears for 3?
5.
Huh?
Three.
Miss, Mr. M. Buya, appeal for point number 3. In the interest of justice, list the matter again. On Friday, this Friday. If they come, good. If they don't come, then
Oblige, your lordship.
Yeah, please, Your Lordship. Lordship, matter is regarding withholding of the fisherman certificate of the petitioner. So impugned order is at page 23. Page 23. Order, based on the public complaint received, dated, so and so.
yes. Why you withholding?
Lordship, although I do not have instruction in the matter, but last occasion some submission was made from their side. That some development has taken place in the matter.
Still, as per my instruction,
Yes.
as per my instruction, that order has not been withdrawn by them. So until and unless they either withdraw it or cancel it.
This is 2018 order.
Yes.
And based on some public complaint. Now, Mr. Counsel, he's got married, had four children. I mean,
Otherwise, in future,
everything is moving.
he could not.
Only your order is still stuck.
I'll take specific instruction on this.
Yes, this is a very small thing.
Lordship, yes, Lordship.
When do we list? Thursday?
Thursday, Lordship.
Huh?
Can it be on Friday?
Friday? No. Friday too many.
Then next Monday, Lordship.
Next Monday, only you will be here.
Oh. Then
Okay.
after the.
Okay, Thursday, next Thursday. Next Thursday.
Lordship.
Right. Mr. D. Chowdhury appears for the petitioner. And Mr. S.R. Barwa appears for
respondent,
for the fishery, fishery department.
Yes.
For the fishery department. So, sir. The order dated 27/6/2018 passed by the district fishery development officer is under challenge. Which is as follows. Is under challenge. Which is as follows. Yeah, page 23. Mr. S.R. Barwa shall obtain instructions with regard to the above. As matters. 6 years have elapsed from the date of the order.
May it please the lordship. Lordship, this writ petition is filed by the petitioner against the enhanced rental price for the allotted share. There are similar orders filed by the honorable court in similar matters, lordship.
Where is this order dated, order passed with 2199? Where is this 2199 writ petition? That is the main case.
2199 Sapphire Industries.
Huh?
Sapphire Industries.
Maybe. Have you got that order? Because 2199 2008, order dated 28/10/2013. This is the main case which has been relied on by this order. So where is that order?
I don't have the hard copy with me, lordship.
You don't have the hard copy. You have the soft copy.
Lordship.
You don't have the soft copy also. Ordered 2199 2008. 8. Because that is the main case. 2008. 2199 of 2008. Order dated 28/10/2013.
Lordship, it is probably annexed to the writ petition, my lord. Page number 86 is the lord.
No, it's not.
I.
I've gone through it. It's not there. They've only annexed the subsequent orders.
It is annexed, Lordship.
Huh?
It is annexed at
Okay.
page 86.
Acha, really?
Oh, see.
But okay. Okay. What? Huh? Miss
A. Bora.
A. Bora appears for the petition, while Mr.
A.N. Sharma.
A. N. Sharma appears for
Respondent number 3, my lord.
respondent number 3. Full stop. Mr. N. Kalita appears for respondent number 1, 2, and 4. Full stop. But how will it be applicable? Are you sure it's applicable?
Lordship, already similar matters are already disposed of by this honorable court by that order, my lord.
When was your industrial shed given to you? When?
It was given in the year 2001, Lordship.
2001. And when was the enhanced rent made payable? Where is the impugned order?
Proposed notice was issued.
Huh?
14/5/2008, Lordship.
Page?
Proposed notice was issued on 23rd June 2015. It is at page 113. For cancellation of the allotment.
Yes. This is the reply to show cause, Mr. Counsel. Where is the impugned order?
I have page 113, my lord. The proposed notice for cancellation of allotment of the shed, my lord. Annexure number. Annexure 7, my lord.
Annexure 4, Lordship, page 84.
Where is the impugned order?
Uh, Annexure 4, Lordship.
Page.
85.
Huh?
84.
85.
84, 85.
So what is your case?
We are asked to pay enhanced rate, Lordship.
From?
From Lordship. From 2000 Lordship.
From 2000.
Yes.
And when were you asked to pay? In the year 2000? When?
2015.
15. And you have come to court now.
No
Yes.
Lordship.
When did you come to court?
We have come on 2021.
21. Okay, right. Right, so we have already done. The writ petition, the writ petitioner. Is agreed with the notice sent to the petitioner. Directing them to pay rent for the industrial shed. Is it industrial shed? Industrial shed or what?
Yes, Lordship.
Industrial shed in industrial estate Bongaigaon. At the rate of rupees 1 per square feet and rupees 0.15 per paisa per square feet for the open space with retrospective effect from 1/1/2000. The petitioner's counsel submits that submits that the present case is covered by the order dated 29/1/2024 issued in WPC 4507/2015, which in turn has been made in pursuant to the order dated 28/10/2013 passed in WPC number 2199/2000. Accordingly submits that the present case may be disposed of in terms of the order dated 29/1/2024 passed in WPC 4507/2015. The counsels for the respondents submit that the present case is covered by the order dated 29/01/2024 passed in WPC number 4507/2015, and accordingly a similar order can be passed in the present case. I have heard the learned counsels for the parties. In view of the consent of the parties, this writ petition is also disposed of in the same light as the order dated 29/01/24 passed in WPC 4507/2015, which has been made in terms of the order dated 28/10/2013 passed in WPC 2199/2008. Accordingly. This writ petition is disposed of as follows. Take it from here, huh? Okay, para five. Right. As per the last order dated 21/8/2023, the counsel for the petitioner had submitted that the brief of the case had already been handed over to the petitioner. All right. Full stop. However, no one appears for the petitioner today. Full stop. The present case relates to the challenge made to the order dated 14/6/2021, whereby extension of lease period of Sonduva Pabakati Bill of Morigaon district had been granted to the private respondent for a period of 1 year with effect from 15/6/2021, with provision for further extension of 2 years on satisfactory completion of 1 year. Whether there's no fishery that we that Mr. Fish happen. On perusing the records, it appears that the present writ petition has become infructuous. Well, before this, the operation of the order dated 14/6/2021 had been stayed by this court by order dated 1/7/2021. Full stop. Then it appears, huh? Oh, no notice was issued. Oh, it wasn't issued, let me see. No. Yes, Mr. Sharma, what to do with this case? Item 30. Give second copy. Unfortunately, no notice was issued also. This is with regard to, challenge to that extension.
Lordship, actually, there was analogous matter, Lordship. As far I remember, Lordship, which was being disposed of. And we have settled this fishery by through tender process.
It's already settled, okay.
Already
Then before that, before, just say Mr. P. Sharma, Learned Counsel for the Fishery Department,
AFDC.
huh?
AFDC.
AFDC submits that the said fishery has been settled with, has been settled through a tender process. When?
After that lawsuit, after 2020.
After the filing of the writ petition, and as such, the writ petition has become infructuous. Then next, you write, then you just write whatever I said, that it appears that this petition will become infructuous, full stop. Right? However, as no one appears for the petitioner, the writ petition is dismissed as infruction, as for non-prosecution.
And your
My please, Lordship. The matter relates to non-payment of contract debt. Lordship, this is a covered case. A series of matter have been disposed of with the same direction.
What do you mean? Morrigan, what is this? That,
FNP,
again, that same thing.
yeah.
So what is the amount? Where is the
Lordship,
document? Page
Lordship,
13.
Next up two, Lordship, page 20, 24 and 28. Fields, Lordship.
24 and
Final bill
28.
filing bill, Lordship. Case number 20.
No, where is the admission by the respondent? Where is the admission of the amount?
Annex up 3, Lordship. Would be
Page.
Page 30, Lordship. Lively.
13.
Yes, 30, Lordship.
Twenty, 29 lakhs.
Yes, Lordship, 35,000. I can say.
And where is the letter, forwarding letter? Where is the forwarding letter?
Annex up 1 is work order, Lordship.
There is no forwarding letter here.
You get the forwarding letter. There is no signature also, nothing.
Yes,
It's
sir.
just a document.
Page 30, there is no
No, there's
signature or
nothing.
something like that.
There's no admission here, Mr. Counsel. Where is the admission? There's no admission. A blank, a paper which is not signed by anybody has got no value.
But Annex up 2 is a bill, family bill.
This item 32. 32. Why is it in the actually admission? No?
Lordship,
Miss-
Annex up 2 past and final bill, Lordship, Annex up 2, page 20. Page 20, 24 and 28.
No, Mr. Counsel. Right, Miss Elada. Appearing for the respondent's number
124.
1 to 4. And Ms. Sarkhet Talukdar for respondent numbers
I have for respondent number, my lord, 7.
7. Are granted. Three weeks time to obtain instructions and file affidavit. This is a matter of a few weeks.
Lordship, I have no role, Lordship.
Huh?
I have no role, Lordship.
Oh, you don't have to. If you don't, don't file anything.
Lordship, 39 also similar matter, Lordship.
39 also same order.
Here, Lordship, the department is preparing a speaking order which will be passed in 1 week's time, Lordship. 10 days time may be granted, Lordship. This issue will come to an end.
Mr.
I brought up.
I Thakur submits that. A speaking order is going to be issued within 10 days. This is the matter for 10 days.
It may be quick, Lordship. It's in a very old matter, Lordship, 2016 letter. It will not come up.
When do you want?
After 10 days, any day.
28,
20.
20, leave the matter on 28.
Okay.
Item 34.
According to office note dated 14/3/2024, I have taken steps to the condemned my lord.
I think we have to wait, madam, because notice was issued only on 14 March. Right.
And the name of the BTC authority will be shown in the call.
Huh?
In the call list, the BTC authority name may be shown. Today,
Lordship, this order has already been complied. Lordship, a copy of the, list has been given to them.
this has been already.
Otherwise complied.
Applied. Then why did you say that, madam?
He is
Lordship, my name is not available.
not in.
Anyway, right. Miss A. Bujar Barwa appears for the petitioner, while Mr. P. Nayak appears for the state respondent. For the respondent. For the respondent. They submit that the order dated
8/4.
Order dated 8/4/2021 passed in WPC number 3586 of 2020 has been complied with. To stop. In view of the submission made by the council for the parties, the contempt petition stands closed.
Must have been.
Okay. That- no.
Registration has been cancelled
Uh,
on various dates, without. Now, although there is an appellate forum is available, but they have communicated the order very lately, so the time period is over. In the meantime, some of the writ petitioners, they have moved before this honorable court as well as to the division bench. Division bench has granted the liberty to move to the appellate forum. And my lord, the executive committee resolution as well as the confirmation made by the state council, that those copies directed to be produced by the Assam Pharmacy Council has been directed them to produce, supply to us. Now, my lord, I am praying the similar order which has been passed by the division bench will move to the appellate forum. Only the executive committee resolution as well as the confirmation made by the state council, that copies may be supplied.
What should be supplied to you?
My lord, that lordship will find page 315. First lordship will, the interim order is 258.
Just a minute.
My lord.
One at a time. Yes?
Now, my lord, lordship kindly, the down below. This has a reference of executive committee.
Which page? Which page?
258,
258.
my lord.
Yes?
Now, down below lordship, this has a reference of executive committee resolution dated 17/8/2022 and confirmation by state council under section 36(3) of the Pharmacy Act on 20th January 2023. These two copies has not been supplied to us, my lord. Now, earlier batch of writ petition, this honorable has directed that these two copies has to be required to be supplied to the concerned pharmacies. Now, since they have issued this on 12/6/23 and to move before the appellate authority, only the 30 days from the date of order. That lordship will find in the Pharmacies Act.
Have you given a list of books?
No, only the act, my lord.
Have you given that list of the act name to the? What do you think? He's going to take it out of thin air? There, how many acts are there in India?
My
Unless you give them, they take time looking for it, no?
lord.
You at least have the courtesy to give
Right.
this. Yes. Which section?
My lord. 36-4, page number 24.
Yes.
A person aggrieved by an order under subsection 1, which has been confirmed by the State Council, may, within 30 days from the communication to him of such confirmation, appeal to the state government, and the order of the state government upon such
Yes.
appeal shall be final.
Here already, my lord, a division bench has passed the order directing us to communicate the executive committee's resolution as well as the confirmation so that they can prepare appeal.
So,
Probably, my lord, yes. Time limit, my lord, going by this date 12/6/2023 is over 30 days.
correct.
So they took the period without that executive committee's, my lord, resolution as well as the confirmation. They are unable to prepare the appeal.
Correct.
So honorable court has directed that we must furnish the.
So when will you provide?
But they will have to move the Assam Pharmacy Council. Along with
Assam
the-
Pharmacy.
oh, yes, along with the certificate copy of the order.
Okay.
Otherwise, my lord, this particular order is the intimation of the, my lord, decision.
So let them move before the.
Lord, you will find the order, my lord, that says 333. Recent order, my lord. And the division bench order is at place
315.
315. 322,
322.
the opposite.
Division bench is 322.
323, para 3.
Para 3.
Correct. Heard Mr.
Yes, no.
S. Sharma, learned counsel for the petitioners. Also heard Mr. B. Gogoi, learned standing counsel for the health department. Okay, just take this page 331, paragraph 2, paragraph 3, paragraph 4. Out here you say in paragraph 4. No, the next paragraph, don't say paragraph 4. Paragraph 4 you cut. Just say, in this case, comma, the petitioners have taken the plea that they have not been furnished with the executive committee resolution bracket 6 dated 17/8/2022 and confirmation by the state council under section 36 bracket 3 of the Pharmacy Act 1948. Full stop. As such, the petitioners have not been able to prefer an appeal in terms of section 36 of the Pharmacy Act 1948, hereinafter referred to as the Act. The next para, the petitioners council submits that due to there being a limitation period of 30 days for filing an appeal to the state government against the orders against the executive committee resolution and the confirmation by the state council, comma. The delay in filing the appeal should be condoned by the appellate authority. Accordingly, this court is of the view that in terms of the order dated the order dated 24/11/23 passed in WA 431 of 2023, the petitioners should be allowed to file an appeal as and when they are given a copy of the executive committee resolution and the confirmation of the same. Full stop. Then you take this writ petition is according to para, this writ petition, as an then you take para 7, page 232. Take it para 7. Then in para 7, Roman 4, that just add this line at that. The suspension of the cancellation of the petitioner's license shall be subject to the petitioners approaching the respondent number 1 within a period of 10 days from today. And no need of this, no need suspension. Where is the suspension? Suspension has been set aside. So how can it?
But in Roman 1, it has been already stated that they will have to move within 10 days.
Correct, correct. This Roman 4 you cut off, no need.
No, my lord,
4 and
proper
plus.
was-
In
Huh?
that case, my lord,
the protection was given till the date, my lord, the committee's report is submitted to them.
Okay, okay.
So,
Yes, sir, what have I said? From today, and the petitioners submitting an appeal within a period of a further 10 days from the date of receipt of the copy of the executive committee resolution and the confirmation of the same by the state respondents. This 7-5 you cut, no need, 7-5 Roman no need, The writ petition is accordingly disposed.
till the copy is supplied, till then.
Till the copy is supplied and another 10 days given for finding a thing.
Till then, my
Till
lord,
then.
the imping order may be stated.
That's what I'm saying.
No, Lordship, another 10 days, man, that is not part of the division bench order.
Okay, that's for that second 10 days you cut. That's it. 10 days. You see, that suspension will be there, provided you go to the authorities within 10 days. If you do not go, then no suspension.
All right. I notify.
Yes, what to do?
Lordship, I have received instruction and by the way of parent comment, Lordship. It says, Lordship, it is a admitted amount, Lordship, but due to the paucity of fund, Lordship, it did not pay.
So should we tell him to file affidavit?
My lord,
Huh?
and maybe dispose of directing the respondent authority. My Lordship may dispose of in the line of counsel Ali law.
And another order passed by the coordinate bench, my lord. Same line, my lord.
You file affidavit.
Lordship, lordship, lordship.
Mr. N. Upadhyay, Learned Counsel for the State Respondent shall file an affidavit within 2 weeks as Parawise comments has been received by him.
Lord,
This is the matter of 2 weeks.
the date may be given.
26.
No hurry.
Meet this, your lord. Meet this.
What to do?
With the instruction, your lord. Copy an instruction. With the file affidavit in the other side.
Who is appearing for the other side? Mr. D. Nath was there earlier.
I have representative for respondent number 6, accountant general.
You've got no role to play. Who is? So what to do?
In this case, your lordship, the relevant portion of the order, your lordship.
Where is the other side? Can we decide? There's a problem. Okay, we'll call the officials if the lawyers are not coming. So who do we call?
They are officers, your lord.
Huh?
The names are given in page number 3, your lord.
Right. Mr. D. Nath is the counsel. He's not, they're not appearing in contempt case. This court, by judgment and order dated 8/3/23. 28/3/23. Passed in WPC 381/2014. Had directed the Public Works Department to release the balance amount of rupees 30,18,755 within a period of 45 days from today, failing which the amount would carry interest at the rate of 12% per annum. Mr.
My name is A. Nazar, your lord.
A. Nazari appears for the petitioner. No one appears for the respondent, even though this court in the last order dated 16/2/2024 had recorded and had allowed Mr. D. Nath, the learned senior government advocate, appearing on behalf of the respondents numbers 1, 2, and 4 to file, to obtain instructions and file affidavit. Full stop. However, no one appears for the respondents today. Full stop. So who do we call? Commissioner? Commissioner Special Secretary PWD?
I am appearing for today.
Huh?
I am appearing.
This is a contempt case. You cannot appear just like that.
I'm sorry.
Mr. D. Nath had appeared last time. Now he's not appearing today. Okay, just leave it like that. Please.
I have to determine the quantum of interest.
Is there?
I is there. Yes.
164.
120.
It is come with that, but that's why I told you it should be listed.
I is there, Your Honor, but the number was not listed.
Yes, that's what.
but-
You should let it be, let it give it, tell him to make a different cause list for that. Sub clears today. Otherwise, it becomes a problem again. You give me the fact. I and the main thing also. We'll contact. We'll contact. Okay, heard Miss R. Begum, learned counsel for the petitioner. And Miss A. Gayan, learned counsel for the respondent number 2. Gustav. Mr. I. Gogoi appears for the respondent numbers 3 to 6. Gustav. This court while order dated 30/11/22 passed in WPC 5565/2020 had directed the the respondents in the writ petition, that is the Sports Authority of Assam, the Finance Department, Sports Authority of Assam, and the PWD Department, including the Union of India, to pay to the petitioner a sum of rupees 11 lakhs for improvement / upgradation of toilet block, etc. In the where? In the Saru Sajai Sports Complex. Is that it?
Yes.
Saru Sajai Sports Complex. Pusta. Next para. Miss R. Begum submits that. No. Before that, we just said this court had also directed that the outstanding amount of rupees 11 lakhs shall carry prevalent bank interest from the date the work was executed by the petitioner till payment is made by the respondent authority. Next para. The counsels for the parties submit that though interest has been paid and received by the petitioner, the principal amount, that though the principal amount of rupees 11 lakhs has been paid and received by the petitioner, this court in the order dated 30/11/22 has not specified the interest payable by the respondents. Miss A. Gayan and Mr. I Gogoi, learned counsel for the respondent submits that in view of no interest rate being specified by this court in the order dated 30/11/22 passed in WPC 5565/2020, the interest payable is not known to the respondents. Full stop. They submit that they have filed, no, they submit that the IAC 129/2024 has been filed to ascertain the interest rate that is to be paid by the respondent. Full stop. Once it is known, once the interest rate payable is known to the respondent, the same would be paid to the petitioner. Full stop. Next, on perusing the order dated 30/11/22 passed in WPC 5565/2020, it is seen that the interest payable has not been specified by this court on the principal amount of rupees 11 lakhs, which has been paid to the petitioner. Full stop. In view of the above, this court is of the view that this court has also noticed IAC 129/2024, which is before this court today. Full stop. This court is of the view that the interest is of the view that IAC 129/2024 shall be disposed of, and no, don't say that. That will add later. First we'll dispose of this, then we can dispose of this. No, this is- Then 129 you have it listed. You have to bring, then we have to dispose this, then on the basis of this we'll dispose this. Right. Heard Miss Arbegam, learned counsel, answers. You put the same thing, huh? Put in the main case. Then you write, Miss A. Gayans, whatever we have said here, huh? Whatever we have said here, you put it here. On considering the fact that the oh no, we have to write somewhat different out here. Heard Miss A. Gayan, learned counsel for the for the applicant, Sports Authority of India. Then also heard Ms. R. Begum for the opposite party number 1 / writ petitioner. And Mr. I. Gogoi for the respondent number 3 to 6. 2 to 6. 3 to 6. 3 to 6. What's up? The applicant's counsel submits that this court, by order dated 30/11/22, passed in WPC 5565/2020, had directed the applicant to pay rupees 11 lakhs to the writ petitioner and interest at the prevalent bank interest at the prevalent bank rates with effect from the execution of the contract work by the petitioner till final payment. She submits that though the principal amount of 11 lakhs has been paid, the interest has not been paid as this court had not specified the rate of interest payable to the writ petitioner. She accordingly submits that the prevalent bank interest rate payable by the applicant to the writ petitioner should be specified. That's all. So how much should it be?
Yeah, agree 8%.
8%. Why should you agree on 8%?
Actually, your lordship, I am not so much agreeable, but since they have given me the commitment that before 31st of March, they will make the payment at rupees 8%. So otherwise, if I claim 12%, then they'll take one.
How can
more.
you claim 12%, madam? How can you claim 12%? Fixed deposit rates are not 12%.
Yes, my lord, 7.2016.
They are at that, when was the work executed? 2016. When was it completed?
2017.
That time the bank interest rates were in the range of 6%. Where's the question of you two agreeing?
Yes.
That time the bank interest rates were even lesser, 5.5, 6. Fixed deposits, I know.
That is your lordship regarding saving account and all, I think. Current account.
Fixed deposits.
Current account. Current account is good. Current is also less, man.
Right, next para. On considering the fixed deposit rates that were prevalent during 2016, 17, this court is of the view that the interest rate payable on the principal amount of rupees 11 lakhs shall be 7% per annum, with effect from to be calculated from the date the work was executed by the petitioner till deposit of the same before the registry of this court, or what? Till payment of the same to the petitioner. Till payment of the same to the petitioner. Full stop. Accordingly. No, the full stop, the application is accordingly disposed of. Then in this case, in the contempt, what did I say? The last sentence. No, full stop. No, not review this, just say, continue. In this regard, I C 129 of 2024 has been decided by this court today regarding the prevalent bank rate to be specified regarding the interest payable by the respondents to the petitioner on the principal amount of rupees 11 lakhs. Provide order dated 18/3/2024 passed in IAC 129/2024. This court has directed that the interest amount should be calculated at the rate of 11% per annum. 7% per annum on the principal amount, which should be calculated from the date of execution of the work till final payment to the writ petitioner. Accordingly, next para, Miss A. Gayan, the learned counsel for the respondents number, for the respondent number 2 submits that the interest amount will be paid within
31st of March.
within this month, full stop. In view of the such submission, comma, the contempt petition stands closed.
Much obliged.
Wait, no, it's always said that. Actually. It's only said out here. Yeah.
38 will be different.
30th is different. Like that. Wait.
Till 38.
May it please your lordships. Lordships, I'm led by Mr. K. N. Chaudhary, senior advocate. He is in the midst of the matter. Lordships, may it be passed over for the time being. Just a few matters, Lordships.
Who is for the other side?
I think Mrs. May Payal.
Hey, what is to
Lordships,
what is
there
the
was-
status of this case?
Lordships, otherwise the case is ready for hearing, but there was order, the last order says that all the parties have been served and the service is complete. But there's a Lozima order saying that on respondent number 8, we have not taken steps. But Lordships, we have taken steps and they have appeared. So that is over. There was.
They have appeared, but no one is here.
Nobody is here, Lordships. It may be fixed after the vacations, Lordships, it's ready for hearing.
Okay, right. Miss, what is your name?
S. Chakravarti.
S. Chakrabarti appears for the writ petitioners. No one appears for the respondents. This is the matter after, this is the matter after 2 weeks.
Till 40.
Lordship, we have taken steps, Lordship.
Well, I appear for NSM, madam. I appear for some time to have the inspection. But on the day when notice was issued, somehow we have missed it. I will have the inspection regarding the admissible department.
Regarding the,
Admissibility of the amount, ma'am,
quite a huge amount.
quite a huge.
Mr.
PP Medi, Lordship.
PP Medi appears for the petitioner. Mr. B. Buyan, Mr. B. Gogoi, learn counsel for the
NHM. National
NHM. Waits for time to obtain instructions with regard to the admissibility of the contractual bill.
Lordship.
This is the matter after
2 weeks.
2 weeks.
Well, extra copy may be served.
Huh?
One copy may be served to you.
I'm obliged to.
Till 41.
Lordship, item number 41, audit pen was trying to obtain instruction as regards payment minor.
Lordship, I paid for some more time.
Lordship may pay for a short date minor in the month of March.
What is this, I,
I was striking off. Lordship, I'm told it's tagged with the main file, but it's not reflected in the cause list.
it's here.
I has come. It's not reflected in the.
Make this also supplementary. What is it? Or we,
Or after the
this-
few, holy.
no, he wants to go out, no?
Highly obliged, Lord. After
What?
4 years.
Okay, right. Mr. Huh? No, what is it here? Mr. B. Chaudhary, Learned Counsel, is granted a further,
27 minor is may come.
huh?
27.
Lordship, 10 days. time.
Is granted 10 days time to obtain instructions in the matter. This is the matter of 10 days.
27.
Registry to, we have already. Okay. List the matter, list the what is this?
8, sir.
837 of 2024. Separately on the next day. Huh? Along with WPC 325 2014.
Highly obliged.
27.
10 days, 27 will not be
Today
10
is
days.
18.
Yeah, right.
28 then.
Anything will happen, I doubt.
Lordship, your fund is available, I'm told, so.
Okay, 28.
March ending is not so much.
Let him instruction.
For the install assessment. And lots of make. See wishes.
Okay, 28. This is the matter of 28. What about these items? Acha, we finished all this. This is the only one left.
My lord, is matter regarding my lord, grant of license of IMFL, my lord, Indian made foreign require, my lord. First notice was invited on 2023 for 21 numbers of my lord sold. Thereafter, what happened, my lord? All terms and conditions were thereafter, my lord, they have issued rebid, my lord, on 23. 23 to 2023, my lord. It pays 56, my lord. My lord, what is?
Yes, yes.
Yes. Rebid are invited grant of IMFL, soft license.
Then what happened? Then what happened?
My lord, what happened, my lord? My bid was rejected on the ground, my lord, that I have not submitted site plan countersigned by the assistant executive engineer, my lord. That interim order has been, my lord, at best.
Page?
11 page, my lord, 172. But my lord, I have, my lord, got it 172.
Yes.
Remark, my lord, column. No, 171, my lord, sorry, my lord. Site plan not countersigned by the assistant executive engineer.
What is your name?
My name is Simanto Gogoi, my lord.
Yes. What is violated point 22.3?
22 points, my lord, is a page 57, my lord. Site plan duly countersigned by the assistant executive engineer, my lord. At 57, my lord.
Yes.
My lord, got it.
22.
Yes, my lord.
Why, what is 0.3 but? 22.3. That is only 22.
Yes, my lord.
At page 38.
Page 30. Yes.
My lord, my site plan was countersigned by the assistant engineer, my lord. As per NXRC, my lord, kindly go through the NXRC.
Okay, that
Where, my
is
lord?
next see page.
NXRC, my lord, 11 page, my lord, 50, 50, my lord. Site information, my lord, site plan certified by an engineer, my lord.
Who's, huh? Where?
50, my lord, column 12, my lord.
Yes. This is filled up by you. This is your submission.
No, my lord, this is original tender paper, my lord. This is a part of the original tender.
Original tender page,
Yes,
no,
my lord.
page 50 is just a column where you have written that site plan certified by engineer.
No, that's a part of the NXRC, my lord. This is an XRC of original tender paper, my lord. There is page 48.
Page 48,
Yes,
Mr.
my lord,
Council,
an XRC.
is a checklist.
Yes, my lord.
Then,
That is a precondition, my lord, that the site plan should be,
correct, but where is the site plan?
site plan is, my lord. Site plan, 164, my lord. Assistant engineer, PWD, my lord, building.
Yes,
Yes, my lord.
where?
Yes, my lord. Here, top of the, my lord. Assistant agri.
164,
Yes, my lord.
assistant engineer.
Yes, my lord. PWD.
It has to be signed by whom?
That as per NXRC, my lord, original tender, an engineer, my lord. So I have submitted this, my lord, site plan.
No, wait, wait. No, Mr. Council,
Yes, yes, my lord.
it has to be signed by executive engineer or assistant executive engineer.
My lord, where, my lord.
Come to page 172.
That has been, my lord, rebid, my lord. That rebid, my lord. Can you see, my lord? That has been rebid. Original bid, my lord, it's not written as a engineer, my lord.
So, but you have participated in the rebid,
Yes, my lord.
then you're bound by the rebid clauses.
But my lord, kindly see the rebid notice, my lord.
Yes. Page?
The rebid notice is, my lord, page 56, my lord. Court, my lord, got it, my lord.
Yes.
My lord, mid of the line, the for details, please refer to the previous bid document, my lord.
Yes, for details, please refer to the previous bid
Yes,
document.
my lord.
Yes.
As per previous bid document, I have submitted, my lord. And that 57 also. It
Let me
says
see
that-
the previous bid document.
Yes, my
Where
lord.
is the previous bid document?
That, my lord.
Where is the NIT?
NIT is the, my lord, page 19, my lord. Relevant, my lord, portion is 28, my lord.
Page
Yes.
19?
28, my lord. 11 portion is document comprising of the bid, my lord. The technical bid shall be primarily consists of the following, my lord. Description of site on which proposed service to be set up, enclosed site plan, my lord. That's 6.29. So, my lord, NXRC is the part of the original set bid document, my lord, which I have submitted, my lord. So, my lord.
Yes, Mr. Council, just as per the earlier bid, as per the NIT, earlier NIT was earlier NIT was dated. What is the date?
2012, 2023.
20,
12, 2023.
22, correct?
23.
Yes, my lord.
23,
Yes, my lord.
2012, 23. Now, as per this, that site plan has to be signed by whom?
The site plan has to be signed, the annexure C to the tender document says that the site plan has to be certified by an engineer.
Where does it say that?
At page number 48, your lordship. It starts at page number 48. The relevant portion is at 50, serial number 12.
Now show me the rebid. Rebid. Where's the rebid?
There was
Maybe
no
the-
separate tender document was not issued.
No issue, my lord.
There was a notice, your lordship. In the notice, it was stated that the earlier bid would be referred to.
So, my lord, those terms and conditions should be, my lord.
So now, so same terms and condition.
Yes, my lord.
Okay, now, okay, that is with regard to that, verification by the engineer.
Gotcha.
What about the second portion, 22 point thing? What have you got to say for that? 22.3, page 38. You have the, you won't have the record, I think. no?
I, in fact, because this 22.3 is so striking, I called them over telephone and asked them what happened. Who did he contact? So apparently he got into an he visited one officer who was a member of the evaluation committee, got into an altercation with him, threatened him that he'll take legal action and whatnot. That officer made a report to the superintendent engineer. Because of this, that he, during the evaluation process, he got in touch with a member of the evaluation committee when that was specifically barred. Because of that, he was barred.
That point, my lord, I do not, my lord, because we have not contact anyone, my lord.
I do not know. You see, those are questions of fact. We
Yes,
cannot. But then the thing is that, you see, what have you stated?
They
with-
have, my lord.
Mr. Council, please
yes,
listen. With regard to 22.3, what is your stand? What stand have you taken in your writ petition? Nothing. Then, end of the matter. You have not denied. Right.
If, madam, my lord, I may be allowed to file additional affidavit that was overlooked by me, my lord. Additional affidavit.
Now they will be allowed wise and they will be improve their matter, your lordship.
Now he'll improve his matter, that's for sure. That's for sure. Yes. So
In
then-
contradiction, my lord, only two bidders, my lord, have bid that particular point. That the respondent number 4 has violated also, my lord, they have not affixed stamp on each phase of the tender, my lord.
That can be no ground, Mr. Council. Two specific grounds have been mentioned by the government as to why your financial
Yes.
bid has been rejected. You have challenged only one ground. End of the matter. So even if we say yes, okay, you are right, with respect to the one ground, the other ground is not challenged. That remains. Right. Heard Mr. G. Pegu.
Yes.
Learned counsel for the petition, who submits that notice inviting EBIT dated 20/12/23 had been issued by the respondents for grant of IMFL retail off license for various places in Lakhimpur district, including shop number LKP 13 at CD Road, Lakhimpur district. However, the respondents issued rebid notice on 23/2/2024. The next paragraph, the petitioner the petitioner's grievance is that the technical bid was rejected.
Yes, sir.
Technical bid was.
submits that the petitioner's technical bid was rejected due to two reasons. Number one, site plan not countersigned by the executive engineer slash assistant executive engineer of PDW bracket B, PWD bracket B. Number two, violated 22.3 of bid document. Full stop. Next paragraph. The petitioner's counsel submits that the petitioner had submitted as his site plan countersigned by an assistant engineer.
Yes.
PWD. And as such, no, full stop. And as the tender notice did not specify that a site plan had to be signed by an executive engineer slash assistant executive engineer, comma. The site plan submitted by the petitioner, comma, which was countersigned by an assistant engineer, PWD, could not have been rejected. Full stop. Next paragraph. What about number 22 point? No ground taken, 22.3.
Also, I may be allowed to file anything like it
For what?
for this.
How can you be allowed? You were in such a hurry also. You're in such a hurry, you lost sight of the fact. The next paragraph. The petitioner has, however, not made any challenge to the rejection of his technical bid on the ground of violation of 22.3 of the bid documents, which is to the following effect. Page 38. Huh? Page 38. Okay, from here to here. It starts, no bidder shall contact. Okay. On without going further into the merits of the case, comma, this court finds that even if this court were to accept the submission made by the counsel for the petitioner, that his bid should have been, his site plan, which was countersigned by the assistant engineer PWD, should be accepted as valid by the state respondents, comma. The fact remains that no challenge has been made to the rejection of the petitioner's bid, technical bid, for violating 22.3 of the bid document. In that way, the matter, comma, this court does not find any ground to exercise the discretion in the present case. The writ petition is accordingly dismissed. Okay. You can always file a fresh one. There's no bar. You can always file a fresh with challenging that, because that issue has not been decided.
I'm sorry, but I missed the item.
Huh?
Item number 36 content. I missed it. My name is not shown there. I missed the item. It was called, but I was not there. I missed the item. But I have talked to them that some instruction I have received, kindly give it 2 days time, let the instruction come. Otherwise, they have said the demand proposal was given, but because of some query of the judicial, it was returned back. And they have been directed by the government to submit the demand proposal afresh. It is relating to payment of some contractual fee.
That same be placed in affidavit.
Yes,
That
yes,
same be placed in affidavit.
that has to be, that has to be.
Longer date, it will be the 1 week date.
Okay, this said he not submit that, he will file an affidavit. Within,
Lordship may give me 1 week time.
within a week.
The updated position. I will
This is the matter after.
take.